need to take time to find your bread and butter trade. Ang focus is very important. Dahan-dahanin mo, wag ka mafo-FOMO. Diba? I always tell you to trust the system. No, I want you to wait for a confirmation candle. Wait for this line to be broken. To never, ever do shortcuts in trading.
Kaya ang galing-galing talaga pag natutunan mo yung tinuturo ni Coach bago na i-apply mo. Bago yung patient lang, yung patient tsaka yung discipline.
Si Coach kasi, he's not just a content creator. Talagang mentor siya. Pinaglalaanan niya ng oras lahat ng videos niya. Not for him, not to get subscribers, pero para matuto tayo, para maging profitable tayo kagaya niya. Sobrang amazing lang kasi konti lang yung taong gano'n na hindi madamot, na hindi niya sasarilinin kung paano siya mag-earn ng pera. Si Coach kasi mas gusto niya pang i-share yung blessings niya.
Nag-decide ako i-PM po kayo, nag-enroll po ako sa inyo sa beginner class. Ginawa ko po talaga everyday 3 to 4 videos na sa YouTube ang pinapanood ko, tapos ninonote ko pa talaga lahat.
Magpahinga ka. Hindi tatakbo yung market, hindi mauubos yung trade setup na yan. Find that bread and butter setup. Vulnerability in trading is our most accurate measurement of trading quotient. You have yet to see your success. You have yet to see your millions. Andiyan dyan na. Are you going to give up today? Or are you going to use the word not yet? Daily affirmation and commitment. Ako ay isang disiplinadong crypto trader. I will always plan my trades. I will not enter if it's not my bread and butter trade. I will say no to FOMO dahil I can always earn profits naman in my alpha trades. May tamang signals for buying and selling. Bakit ako manghuhula analysis? I will journal my trades because I want to know myself more. I know that my emotions will be known if I write them down. I will treat trading as a business and that since I don't have a boss, I will make myself accountable to my losses. I will do all of this, I promise. Because alam ko, yayaman ako, uunlad ako, I can reach my dreams very soon. Trading is not a sprint, it is a marathon, and I am a millionaire. Millionaire trader and I have a millionaire mindset. Hey guys! Hello, 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 hello. Welcome natin. I am together going live with mentors Justin and Oliver. Oy, partners, mentors, mag-hello na kayo.
Nakamute pala ako. Hello, Miranda.
Very good. Ayun.
Hello, good evening sa lahat na nag-aabang at mga nagsimaagang umuwi para manood at nag-aabang ng CPI. Naka-ready na ang kanilang mga daliri sa
Excited na, no?
Wala akong phone. Wala akong o-orderan ngayon.
Oh, may challenge, bawal maghawak ng phone habang
Kukunin ko
nasa live.
yung phone
Bawal
ko.
position.
Naka nasa likodan yung phone ko. Kainis. Alright. Anyways, magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. My name is Coach Miranda Minor, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to click on like and subscribe to our channel. We do live every night, gabi-gabi, except kung may internet issues, pero mukhang wala na. Na-share ko na kanina, 300 Mbps download and upload. Tingnan natin kung mag-lag pa tayo. But we're very happy. Andito yung mga kasama natin on our GMMG Mornings Mentors, Justin and Oliver. Yan. Nako, napakasarap naman ng ating gabi because ilang araw na lang, no? Almost 100 days na lang, magpapasko na. Sa mga nagpapaninong dyan, magpag-gift register na lang po tayo. Try nyo na ba yun, mentors? Isa SM? O kaya sa mga papel meroti, si mga ganyan. Kasi may mga na-attend akong kasal. Tanda na tayo siyempre. Ng mga kasal, meron silang gift registry. Meron na silang chosen gifts lang. Nung bininyagan yung anak ko, nagpag-gift registry ako dun sa nag-organize. Sabi ko, ikaw na lang mag-organize yan. So lahat ng laruan ng gusto ng anak ko, nakuha niya. Na-try nyo na ba yun?
Hindi pa. Pag nagkaanak siguro ako.
Ayun, pinapangunahan ko na kayo. Ano yun? Ulit.
Hindi ko pa nahanap yung mga panganay ko.
Oh, nagkalat ba?
Joke lang, joke.
Alright, mentors. Ano bang meron sa atin today? Ano bang inaantay natin today?
Or CPI result.
CPI result. Okay, Miranda, I wanna challenge you. Type number 1 if you are a bull. Type number 2 if you are a bear. Okay? Type number 1 if you're a bull. Type number 2 if you're a bear. Alam mo naman, kasi iba-iba ang perspective, mentors, di ba? Kapag minsan, or kadalasan, even in the stock market, kadalasan dyan, they sell on news. So do you think this is gonna be a sell on news today? Or ikaw, ano ang personal bias mo? Ready na ba kayo magsabi, mentors? What do you guys think?
Yeah, sa akin, more on bullish.
Bullish. Okay. Ikaw, Kuya Oliver.
Ako, halatang-halata sa damit mo. Sa damit ko, kaya ako nag-red, no? Bearish, no? Kasi sabi nga, no, on historical sense, no, for the last 5 years, September has always been bearish for Bitcoin.
Ay, madaya, Kuya Oliver, may data na sinabi. Ako naman, kaya bull kasi because of gas. No? Because of gas for CPI, yung nakaraan na driver natin, di ba? O kaya maganda yung CPI result natin, bakit nag-rally yung market? Because of gas. So right now, let's see.
And gas is a big part of the core CPI, no? Although gas is a volatile metric, ha? Gas and food are CPI sub-indicators that are normally not included on headline CPI simply because they are very volatile. Pero ako naman, to be honest with you, of course, gusto ko maging bull. Gusto ko maging bull, to be honest, no? But of course, part of me, ayoko naman magsabi agad ng okay, tumaya na tayo ng malaki because again, I mean this is $1 trillion market that we cannot always be aware, no? We're on the mercy of the trend lines, 'di ba? Yeah. So ang tanong is gaano ka bullish or ka bearish? Nakahanda na ba yung capital mo? And the question is, may pang-capital ka ba? Right? May pang-capital ka ba? Because I am not sure. Guys, teka lang. Just give me a second, okay? Just give me a second. Kuya Oliver and Kuya Justin, take over muna. Mag-mute lang ako. Mabilis lang.
Okay. Siguro, mag-shoutout muna tayo, no? I'll have quick shoutout sa mga team Discord natin. And then sa mga mentees ko, si Jella, Eugene, Sir Josh, And then to friend of mine who's watching right now, partner. Yeah, I invited her to watch. No, you know who you are. So thank you for supporting. Tapos, yun, yung mga moderators natin, hello. Joey Tuazon, Mimi, and everyone.
Yan.
Joey Tuazon? Sino yun?
Joey Tuazon. Uzon pala.
Ah, Tuzon. Okay. Alright. Ayan. Go ahead, Mentor Oliver.
Yan, shout out sa beginners batch 39 and 40 and intermediate batch 33 and 34. No? I hope nagawa nyo na yung inyong mga homework and be ready para sa ating bootcamp.
Okay, bootcamp. Okay, very good. Speaking of bootcamp, I'm gonna be there on Friday. I'm gonna be personally there the whole time, Friday and Saturday. Magtuturo ako ng... Magtuturo tayo ng ganito. I'm going to show this to all of you. No? Thank you for reminding me, Kuya Oliver. Yan. Turo natin mabilis. Yan. I'm going to... Mawawala lang tayo sa screen na mabilis. But because I'm sharing my screen, Miranda, I'm going to teach this to all of you. Okay, dun sa mga enrollees natin in the beginner class and intermediate class, I'm going to teach this. Paano natin nakuha yung 251% on the bounce, 4.92 pa akyat. Paano natin nakuha tong breakdown na ito, 130%, and how did we get this bounce micro Fibonacci at 217%? We're also going to teach you medyo maraming doodles kasi nga nagturo ako kanina sa isang estudyante. Meron akong hindi alam ng mga mentors to, but a student reached out to me and asked me few questions. Kaya marami mga doodles yan. But I'm also going to teach ito. I'm already running at 200, almost 300% running for Bitcoin. Naka-trailing, meron na akong, may stop loss na ako dyan kaya I'm confident. Kaya pag ito umakyat, then baka mag 500% tayo today. Tingnan natin. Okay, we're very, very happy of today, no? But of course, kung hindi man gumanda yung bias natin or hindi mag-activate, then we can always do shorting play, no? Meron na tayong trailing stop. May stop loss tayo dyan. I'm not using trailing stop loss in Binance. And I'm also going to teach you this, no? Yung pinaka most recent na galaw ni Lunsi, 1,000%, 200%, 124%, 112%, 137%, 103%, 100 may isang talo, and I'm not embarrassed about that. I mean, it happens, 'di ba? Minsan na-fake out tayo ng longs, no? Especially dito yan sa part na yan, around, if I remember, actually no, it's actually within this area. No, dito ako medyo na what's this, na false, no? Nagkaroon ng invalidated trades dyan. But that's fine, no? It normally happens, but I want to teach you those triple and quadruple digit profits. And I'm sure mentors ako gumagaya na lahat, no? Look, Justin, no? May mga malalaking trades na din. So congratulations to you guys. I'm gonna be teaching this, especially yung gamit ng Fibonacci. Importante dito yung gamit ng Fib. Pinaka-importante yan sa lahat, because if you don't know how to use the right Fib, medyo konti or kulang, or baka hindi mo makuha yung mga volatile na galaw ng coins. Okay? So yan. We're gonna be covering about that. I'm sure the mentors are also very, very, very excited together with me. So I'm sure, and again, hindi lang naman ako yan. The mentors can also do that. But I'm gonna be there on Friday and Saturday. I'm gonna be answering your questions. Meron ako ituturo sa inyo na kailangan yung malaman para makakuha kayo ng mga ganyan level of profits. Type number 1 kung excited na. Okay? Excited na. Of course, Kuya Oliver, you're saying something, no? Sorry to interrupt you. Napaalala mo lang sa akin kanina yung mga assignments. Go ahead.
Yun lang po, Coach. And tomorrow, bukas, paalala ko lang sa Discord, yung ating Winning Wednesdays with the alumni, mentees. Yan. So, kita-kita tayo dyan, share tayo ng trades, and participate. No? Napakadami tutunan niya ng mentee-to-mentee interaction. So, see you tomorrow.
Sounds
Question,
good.
pwede daw pa bang humabol para sa bootcamp?
Go ahead. Oo, ano ba? Friday yun, di ba? Friday, yeah.
Friday, Coach. Pwede pa enroll na. Pwede pa
Habol kayo.
mag-enroll.
Pero ang gusto kong gawin ninyo, pag humabol kayo ngayon, upuan nyo yung courses. Kasi hindi pwede, natatalong ka sa bootcamp, wala kang alam. Malilito ka. I can just confuse you instead. Diba? I can just confuse you. So hindi pwedeng ganun. By the way, narinig niyo yung anak ko kumakanta pag may narinig kayong kumanta ng Let It Go tsaka Frozen, anak ko yun ha. Basta makakanta kakaligo lang Anyways, so makinig muna tayo, no? What are the things that we need to consider? Bukod sa atin, we are market analysts. I prepared couple of videos for us to listen on some of the expert analysts. Pakinggan natin itong mga to. Himayin natin yung sasabihin nila because around ilang minutes pa, no? Ilang minutes pa yung ating CPI report. Aantayin po natin yan. So let's all listen to this first, Miranda. I'm going to play a little bit of videos from YouTube for our consumption. Okay, mentors, are we ready?
Yeah, sure.
Yes.
Ready, coach.
Okay. All right, let's listen first to a JP Morgan video. It's all about JP Morgan, world to avoid recession, no? Meron silang in-interview. Let's all listen to this real quick, Miranda, okay?
Scenario for the global economy than a recession. Bloomberg's Danny Berger joins us for more. Danny Berger, not a big surprise that we're hearing optimism once again from Kalanovic and team at JPM. They're saying this is risk on. The Fed made a mistake by going as aggressively as they did.
I was going to say, I mean, this isn't a different call at all from Marko Kalanovic, who this entire year has been bullish equities, buying the dip. So this just feeds into that overall argument he has formed this year, saying that, yes, the economy can reach a soft landing, kind of hitting back at those who say, listen to the rhetoric coming from the Fed before we had that blackout period. They're being hawkish, therefore not good for risk assets. Instead, Kalanovic and team write in this note from yesterday, economic data and investor positioning, they are more important factors for risky asset performance than central bank rhetoric. We maintain a pro-risk stance. They go further than that, though, and also say 75 basis points, that is an overreaction because inflation will start to cool, and that means that the Fed will pivot. Yes, folks, we're talking about the Fed pivot yet again.
Okay, guys, that's a very, 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 very important statement, no? That's a very, very important statement. So, putulin ko muna doon. Okay, let me just stop there. Okay, and let's listen to another video. Okay, sabi nyo, the Fed will pivot, CPI will be lower, which in this case, instead of being hawkish, the Fed can become dovish. Okay, so park muna natin yung perspective na yun. Let's all listen to this next interview. And mentors, please feel free to give your comments, okay?
To moderately restricted levels, and then they just want to hold them there for a long period of time. At the moment, I think this is an environment that could really last quite a while. We still don't have the market grasping the full narrative that the Fed's put out there, and that is that they need to get rates higher to moderately restricted levels, and then they just want to hold them there for a long period of time. At the moment, the market is still expecting a higher terminal rate than rate cuts. That's a recessionary call, and that is going to continue to breed in volatility, at least for the next couple of Fed meetings, we think, until it becomes clearer that the Fed will deliver what it said it's going to deliver.
So a recessionary call in there.
So let me stop there. We're talking about Asia and Europe. Okay, mentors. Pag-aralan natin yung kaninang yan. Let's talk about that. Okay, so they were saying CPI print is gonna be lower. Bakit? Gas is going down. No? Potentially, Fed can be from hawkish, magpipivot yan. So, sa Asia naman, ang ganda ng market kanina. I was looking at the Asian market. Sobrang ganda ng market kanina. All green, no? All green ang Asian market. Even Europe is all green. Anong tingin niyo? Anong opinion niyo dito? Anyone?
Coach, yun nga, sa tingin ko, ang ginagawa ng Fed po dyan, kumbaga parang, band-aid approach eh. Parang every time na tataas tong inflation, konti lang yung, hindi sila nag-massive approach. Kung what they just do what needs to be do para makontrol at di bumaba sa recession. So ganun yung nakikita kong ginagawa lagi ng Fed. Na sabi nila they want to stay there. Kaya paulit-ulit na ganun. Walang clear bullish move, walang clear bearish move. They just want to hold it there.
Correct. And same with Kuya Oliver, no? Just like what they said doon sa minutes of meeting na nirelease nung nakaraan, that they're just going to do whatever they need to do to fight inflation.
And I agree with you, no? In my own words, they're very reactive. You need to remember they're reacting to a price of goods that's already 30 days ago. Kasi we're looking at August CPI. We're not looking at September CPI. We're looking at August CPI, which means tapos na. And data-wise, it says the price of oil already dropped almost 15 percentage points, no? For the month of August. So mukhang bababa ang CPI. Pero doon sa next video, sabi doon, Asia is on a rally for risk-on assets. Ibig sabihin nun, yung mga high-tech, yung mga tech, yung mga high-risk assets, they are being traded today because maganda yung risk appetite na pinapakita ng other traders. At sa tingin natin, alam nilang aakyat eh. Bakit? Bumaba nga yung August. Kumbaga parang alam mo na eh. If you already know what's happening, you're probably going to become more biased to bullish. Diba? You're gonna be more biased to bullishness. So, question, napansin nyo ba si Bitcoin hindi matinag-tinag? 22,200 range. Samantalang si Ethereum bumagsak na sa 1.6. Ano masasabi nyo doon?
Something interesting nga, Coach. Like yung other altcoins are dropping. They're having trendline support breakdown. Nag-activate eh. But this, si Bitcoin, kinakalampag talaga yung 22,000 resistance na yun.
Which is quite the contrary to the narrative. Kasi yung narrative natin, pwede mag-bullish si Ethereum, lalagapak si Bitcoin. Diba? Yun yung narrative natin. Kasi potentially, even the Solanas and the ADA traders, pwedeng lumipat kay Ethereum parang sa members live kahapon. Which by the way, ang dami nag-activate guys ha. Ang dami, halos lahat po nag-activate, mga TLSBDs. Grabe. Congratulations, lalo na yung mga nakakuha kay Luna. Sabi ko sa inyo, do not buy long on Luna and Luncy until it breaks out. True enough. But what can you say about that? No? Ano yung narrative natin? Kuya Oliver, what do you think?
Again, sa akin, exciting times to. No? Kasi we teach in the university yung correlation, the value of it in a coin and a Bitcoin. Pero right now, seeing na Ethereum is one of the most correlated sa kay Bitcoin. Ngayon humihiwalay siya, no? So nag-iiba yung galaw niya, no? Kasi there's fundamentals on Ethereum and ito na naman yung CPI, no? So titingnan natin, no, where will the investors and the retailers will put their money on, no? So ayun.
Tingnan natin. Couple of reports that just came out as of September 8. I'm sorry. Couple of updates coming from the... Kasi guys, ang nag-release po ng CPI is para... Sa Philippines, ang nag-release po ng inflation is the NSO, yung National Census. Sila po yung responsible dyan, no? So, in the US, it's the Bureau of Labor Statistics, no? So, they're the ones responsible. So, we get straight data from them. As of September 8, employment is expected to increase 8.3 million jobs from 2021 to 2031. So payroll, employment increases, unemployment rate rises 3.7. Kumaga, bukod sa CPI, we also need to remember yung mga economic indicators that are affecting Fed. Kahit bumaba yung presyo, pero marami pa rin may trabaho. Tumataas ang presyo ng kanilang mga sahod. Tataas ang purchasing power. Parang Pilipinas, nung dumami yung call center sa Pilipinas, guys, before sumahod ka ng 15,000, malaki na yun. Diba? Ngayon, wala nang sasagot ng 15,000. May call center, may 22,000 na call center agent, diba? Justin, TL ka before, alam mo yan.
Marami.
Diba? Maghe-hello ka lang. Panggabi ka nga lang. Diba? 22,000 may HMO pa. Tapos, ikaw pa yung siga kasi marami kang pwedeng puntahan. Pwede ka mag-resign. Diba? And productivity is actually decreasing, 4.1 in quarter 2. So, we're using productivity, payroll, wages, and employment, unemployment as other peripheral indicators. At ang dami pong kalaban ni Fed ngayon. Kahit bumaba yung presyo ng bilihin, pero dumadami pa rin yung may trabaho, tataas ang purchasing power, walang magiging demand destruction na tinatawag. Ibig sabihin, di ba, we need to cut down the demand, no? So, wala magiging ganun. Anyways, ano pa ang mga binabantayan ninyo mga coins, mentors? Pag-usapan natin. Anyone?
Ako, still Bitcoin. I do have, parang ikaw. I do have, and look, no, actually, ay, na si Aether, it's Aether than me. We do have open position for Bitcoin. Ano yun, no? We got it from the 2-year support from the bounce. So right now, nasa 500 plus na rin, no? And I'm actually just waiting for the CPI. That's the reason ba't hindi pa ako nag-take profit. I'm waiting for this. Pero I made sure na meron na akong stop profit level. So just in case ano man mangyari, profit is profit lang for me.
So, narinig ko Bitcoin. Okay? Kuya Oliver, ikaw.
Ako po ay Solana, no? Nakakita ko ng pagbasag kanina ng major trend, no, Solana. At sa 4 hours ko to nakita, no. Also Raven Coin, ayan. Saka Luncy, no. So pagka gantong may mga market movers, I see to it na dalawa yung setup ko, no. Naghahanap ako ng isang bullish setup tsaka isang bearish setup ng isang coin. So para ready tayo.
Para ready lagi, no, in case the other one gets invalidated.
Yes.
Very good, very good. Ako gusto ko purple yung damit ko ngayon kasi ayoko maging bullish bearish. Kakulay ko yung neutral lang ako, no. Okay. Basa lang tayo ng comments, mentors. Habang kasi 8:30 pa po. We have 1,100 people watching. Invite them to subscribe and follow us in our social media channels. Go ahead.
Ayun, sige, anuan ko na. Hello, Miranda who's watching right now, no? Please feel free to follow or hit nyo yung subscribe sa mga bagong subscriber natin or bagong viewers natin. Please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para updated ka sa mga market natin. In our system or in Coach Miranda Miner channel, it doesn't just teach technical analysis, but we also cover things like this, yung mga fundamentals. Also, sometimes we do real talk, no? Also, we do it in the morning. So, and sa Facebook naman, we do have the Global Miranda Miner page, no? Visit nyo yan. And then, please do support our reels, no? Mas maganda yan, no? Tapos, yung TikTok natin. And of course, Discord, no? We also have Discord. Yun.
Oliver, maybe talk the university. Where can they contact you guys in case they want to enroll? And any other questions?
Ayan. Hello. Also, i-emphasize ko dito, no, on September 29, we have an open university. So, dyan po sa ating open university ay sasagutin namin ang mga tanong nyo about sa university, enrollment procedures, and ano ba yung bootcamp, ayan, no, and frequently asked questions para sa mga gusto mag-enroll. So, yan, September 29, we will give you the Zoom link. Ayan. And anyone is free to join naman. And kayo naman ay natututo dito sa ating channel, no? At gustong pang maging profitable to learn more about the system, punta lang sa www.globalmirandaminer.com at see the courses, no?
Bakit parang may kilig? Ano ba, kinikilig ka ba? Ano ba meron?
Di po, baka last time kasi
pero kinikilig yan.
Last time when we were rehearsing, di ba, nabubulol ako sa
oo, pare. Ako, ganyan din ako nung bata eh. Parang I wanna speak the same word 10 times over and over. Parang nakakapagpagagabag. Nakakapagpagagabab. Ewan ko. Nakakapagpabagabag. One more time. Nakakapagpabagabag. Whatever.
Nakakapagpagabag.
Yun. So, ano na lang, anxious na lang. Nakakapagpabagabag pa.
Anxious na lang.
Ayan. So, and then, yun, no, ilagay natin ng mga moderators natin dyan yung ating mga link to follow. No? See it on the chat box. Thank you.
Thank you so much, guys. No, at i-share ko lang kanina, may kausap akong isang estudyante. Graduate na siya. Kinulit niya talaga ako, usap tayo. Usap kami. An hour din. An hour. Yung chart ko kanina, yung kaninang chart ko, doon ko sinulat yung mga doodles. So, two scenarios. Mentors, ikaw. Given two choices, at the same time, alas 11 ng gabi, you have two choices. Smaller triangles, scalp inside the smaller triangle, or a big triangle breakout, breakdown. What will you choose?
Ako kasi I'm more on trend followers, so I'll rather go on a trend line resistance breakout or trend lines.
Smaller triangle inside scalp, bigger triangle breakouts breakdown. Ano pipili mo sa dalawa?
Bigger triangle for me.
Ikaw, Oliver.
Sa akin, bigger triangle. Para,
Aha moment yon. Diba? Given the choice, when you look for, binigyan ko siya ng scenario mamili ka sa dalawa. You wanna earn more? Pag wala ka makitang bigger triangle, magantay ka. Second question. Kaninang haba ng usapan namin. Second question. Merong isang smaller triangle. Parehas, small triangle. The small triangle, yung isa, nire-retest ng ilang beses yung resistance. Okay? Yung isa, 2 beses lang ni-retest. Sino ang iso-short mo sa dalawang triangle?
Doon tayo sa mas marami. Sa the more the merrier.
Mas marami nire-retest sa patuktok, Kuya Oliver, ha? Mas marami.
Okay. Tapos pa-short ba siya, coach?
Short siya.
Yes.
Doon tayo sa kaka-retest lang.
Okay,
Kasi,
ikaw Justin.
Same. Doon lang sa konti pa.
Exactly my point. Kanina. I was telling the student, why are you going to short that? Alam mo namang limang beses ang nire-retest. Coach, kasi I'm seeing indicators. Sige, labas tayo. Punta tayo ngayon sa higher time frame. Para may right hand ka na. Number 2, bumababa yung price, tumataas yung oscillators mo. Number 2, pang-4, alam mo, while we were talking, nag-breakout yung coin. While we were talking. Sabi ko, exactly, di ba? Yung sinasabi ko, guys, no? Kasi kahit kayo may alam na, you need someone to make you realize,
Correct.
blind spot mo yun eh.
Correct.
Di ba? Kahit mag-confirm na yan, 3 tinuro ko yan. 3 or 4 or 5 time nire-retest yung, ibig sabihin nun, yung buyers willing to buy the price. So potentially, parang itutok-tok niya pataas yan, people can potentially invalidate a short. Kahit maghalmachi ka pa. Sabi niya,
Aha. Baka yung perspective niya, dahil ilang beses na hindi na nanalo, babagsak.
But that's the exact opposite.
Correct, yeah.
Diba? So, I was telling, kasi totoo lang, ang ganda ng win rate niya. Ang taas ng, but negative yung PNS, sabi ko mali. Ang number 2 ginagawa niya, I'll not name the name. Siyempre, we respect confidentiality. Pero, bubukingin ko siya, ni-record pala niya yung, sabi ko, pitikin kita mas ni-record yung usapan natin. Mapahalaw ka muna. Hindi, coach, kasi kailangan ka. Anyways, so sabi niya sa akin, sabi sa kanya, sorry. Ito yung kailangan mo malaman. Kasi kung mataas ang win rate mo, huwag kang mag-a-add ng margins. Cut loss kung cut loss ka. Kaya, 20% create a rule. 20% cut loss, huwag ka nang subayan. Para doon maraming nalulugi sa trades. Minsan, 20% na lang, naging 200% cut loss ka pa. Nako, type number 1 kung minsan ganyan kayo. Hindi pwedeng ganyan, guys. Wag ganon. You need to yung tanggapin mo yung sakit. Kaysa naman bukas mawala pa yan. 'Di ba? Yan ang tanggapin natin sa trading. Ang pinakamasamang gagawin mo is hindi ka magka-cut loss. Because the market can forever bind you to that trade if you don't let that go. Sometimes art of letting go is important.
Correct. Learn to let go.
Ba't purong art of letting go? Parang ilang araw na tayo nag-uusap ng letting go.
Kaya nga, si Charles nagsimula niyan eh.
Yung Charles talaga yan.
Charles talaga.
Miranda type number 1, di ba? Kasi minsan aha moment, di ba, pag may kinakausap ka, sometimes you need to hear your thoughts, di ba?
Correct.
Kaya talagang dami ko sinusulat kanina. Pero believe ako sa batang to, ang galing mag-cellphone charting. Ang galing. Parang magaling pa sa akin. Pare, ang bilis niya nag-share pa ng screen yun, ha? Sa cellphone niya. Ang galing, sabi ko, paano? Lead siguro ng kamay nito. Kasi ako, fat finger ako. Minsan yung number 4, nagiging number 5 eh. Ganun, ako eh. Pero parang pangit yung ibig sabihin fat finger, di ba? Parang... Anyways. Ano ba pinag-usapan ng mga kamiranda sa chatroom, Kuya Oliver? Basta tayo ng comments.
Okay, let's view the comment section. Kilala daw niya yun. yung sinasabi ng estudyante. Sabi
Kaya-
naman ni Spoon, umaasa kasi coach kahit masakit na. Wow! Natamaan naman daw si D&D Computer Body. Yun, totoo sabi ni Arvin, totoo coach, pagtalo, bigay na.
Totoo yan.
Oh, we have some foreigners listening to us. We are international already. Sai, hello Sai, no?
Hello.
Yun.
Ang hirap bumitaw pag talo ka na.
Ang hirap bumitaw.
That's a blessing kapag bumitaw ka na. Alam mo yun, di ba? I mean,
Hindi kasi may mga tamang trades na kailangan bitawan mo eh. Minsan tamang bumitaw eh. Minsan
Tama.
tamang bumitaw. Kahit sa tao, minsan may mga tinatawag kang the one that got away, yung mga totga.
Totga, no?
No? Oo. Pag another lifetime ka na lang, di ba? Pero ganun talaga eh. I mean, you become a better person by letting go eh. Even on real life, di ba? Even real life.
Yeah.
Hindi mo alam, may ibang coin pa dyan, di ba?
Di ba, may ibang coin pa dyan, mas mamahalin ka, di ba?
Basahin ko lang din ang mga nag-super chat nating Miranda. Si John Mark Peñamora, thank you sa super chat. Coach, magkakaroon na ba tayo ng breakout sa BTC? Galing sa 68K trend. Ayan, no?
By 8:15, I'm going to do charting.
Okay. And Jason J, thank you rin sa super chat. Good luck to all. No to FOMO.
Very good. And then we teach this, no? Controlled loss is a win.
Correct.
Controlled loss. Guys, imaginein mo, multiple, meron ka lang cut loss. Gawin mo trading rule, 20% or 10%, 15% cut loss. Yun lang ang rule mo lagi. Once you hit that, regardless of whatever the market condition, cut loss ka. Trust me when I say this, magiging net positive profitable ka. Trust me. Do not readjust your margins. That's gonna be the worst thing you'll ever do, Miranda. Okay?
And adjusting your stop loss. Wag.
Alright, what other comments do you see, guys?
Sabi ni Dusty, if a trade is a bad from the start, wala ka na magagawa. It's best to exit a trade as soon as possible to avoid doing any further loss.
Tama din. Or having no position is also a position. Very good.
Correct.
Sa akin naman po dyan, no? Yun sinasabi ni Coach, no? Yun ang yung stop loss nyo. Bakit? Because when you trade, 5 yung kakapuntahan. There are 5 outcomes of your trade. Number 1, okay? Big win. No? Big profit. Number 2, small profit. Number 3, break even. Number 4, small loss. Number 5, big loss. So, isa lang tatanggalin mo dyan yung big loss. And malaki na yung magiging positivity sa yung port.
Correct. And just to give an advice siguro, no, you set that plan. Whenever you trade, whenever you enter in a specific position, make sure that you have a plan already. Regardless kahit anong gawin ni market, no, you set a take profit line, you set a stop loss plan, and you set a market area where you think you need to cut loss already. And then follow mo lang yun, no? Follow mo lang yun. Kasi kapag napapaisip ka na while you are checking the charts, no? Check mo yung PNL mo, napapaisip ka na, uy, nagde-negative na. That's not the trader you, that's the emotional self you talking to you na, uy, cut loss mo na yan. Adjust mo yung stop loss mo. Ganon. Add ka ng margin. So yun.
Ayan.
Pero of course, balance as well, no? Sinasabi ko din, you need to widen your range. Hindi naman pwedeng 5% stop loss, guys. Lalamunin ka ng trades. Crypto is not born for 5%. Na-invento, nailagay. Ako, I also subscribe to 5% stop loss on stock market. No? But I don't. The candles here are significantly bigger, no? So, mauubos po yung trades niyo if you keep on using very small ranges. You need to widen your range, no? And I'm happy kasi hindi lang ako nagsasabi niyan. Again, as I've said during the members live or Saturday live, I already said someone else who's also a good trader who was also advocating for widening your ranges, no? Kasi minsan may mga outlier candles ka. Diyan pinanganak si CCC. Minsan yung wick umaakyat only to go down. Si Ethereum ganyan ngayon. Kanina nahuhilo na kami nung estudyante. Sabi ko, ang hirap hanapan, subukan yung i-trade si Ethereum ngayon. Hanapan nyo ng trend line. Sali-saliwayan. Sali-saliwayan. May mga ang hirap hanapan yan. Pero syempre, the more the merrier ka, di ba? Ang hirap hanapan ng trend line yan. Pag hindi ka marunong, ma-fake out ka dyan. Trust me, very noisy. Very choppy yung kanyang ano. Actually, even other altcoins, no, very choppy siya. Bakit? One of the drivers of a choppiness of a coin, obviously aside from the market being indecisive, meron siyang FA, minsan walang bumibili. People are holding their buying appetite, waiting for today. Ganon. Alright, sagot tayo ng mga tanong. Ano ang expected CPI report? Tingin ko 8% or 8.1, no? The previous month is 8.5, 8.6. We're going to expect something lower than that. Okay? Ang dami nag-report, no? Tuesday inflation report could show prices moderating as gasoline and travel costs have fallen. And all the news are saying it's gonna be even lighter. Okay, may dumaan, guys. Ano ba magsabi?
I was reading the comments, Coach.
Ako din.
Ayan. Meron dito kasi si, I think, he needs some advice. Si Cherbin, no? Paano daw na-handle ang emotion kapag SL na, nagiging greedy pa, gustong bumawi with high leverage? Yeah. What can you say, Justin, dito?
How to handle an emotion? The best niya, no? Kasi, if I'm going to tell you something na ganito yung mga gawin mo, ganyan, ganito, the best way to deal with it is deal it with your own. Parang you have to really feel it muna. And then from there, you have to process kung ano ba yung nadudulot niyan sa'yo, no? Kasi if I'm going to tell you these things, kasi those are the things that work for me. So in a shortcut, no, you'll find a way kasi it's really your personality. When we talked about emotion, yung personality mo talaga yung mag-aano dyan. So, but good thing that you were able to acknowledge it. So,
correct. I-add ko na din sa Discord, may nag-message po sa akin. I promised him I'm going to read it today. Basahin ko lang tong kanyang message sa akin if it's okay, no? Medyo marami-rami to eh. Okay, binabati ko din itong si Mang T-Cool. Okay, maganda yung pangalan mo. Meron siyang tindahan ng tsaa. Seryoso ko, yun ang pangalan ng kanya.
Nanti natin yan, Coach.
Diyan natin yan. Hello, nagababati sa akin. Huwag kayo tumawa. Alright. Nag-promise ako hindi pwedeng mawala yun. If you're listening, can you message me right now? Kailangan makita ko yung message mo, no? Okay. I promise this guy, sana ito. Teka. Okay, Chris Panulde, ang ganda ng profits mo, 126%. Congratulations. Ito, basahin ko Sagutin nyo to guys, may time pa naman tayo. Good day. Blank nga pala ang real name ko. Ano pong ma-advise ninyo? May work din po kasi ako, OFW ako, kaya po day trading or swing po uubra sa akin. Sumubok na po ako with real money, bale $500, yung susubukan ko po. Actually, nakasubok na po pala kahapon. Medyo nagulo siya, no? Nasubok na pala siya. Bago ako pumasok sa work, nilagay ko po lahat sa ADA na plan ko naman po yung trade na yun at na-chart ko na. Kaso yun nga po, pagsisilipin ko sa phone na bumababa, parang gusto ko na pong bunutin. Buti na lang po at nilagay ko sa mindset ko na okay sa akin kahit abutin yung stop loss ko. Fortunately, pag nag-profit po ako ng $130. Okay lang po ba yung ganun? What advice would you give me as a swing trader? Parang ang daming red flags na nabasa ko pero kayo muna. Swing trader daw pero met check yung phone eh. What do you guys can share?
Swing trader. Sige sa akin, no? You wouldn't really know kung anong type of trader ka until na-check mo yung nakapag-journal ka. No? Journal for at least a month or 3. Tapos check mo saan ka ba may mas mataas na win rate. No? Kasi it's easily to say na okay yung position trading sa akin, okay yung swing trading sa akin. Pero personality perspective, hindi mo kayang gawin yan kasi mamaya-maya ka nag-check ng phone, di ba? Exactly.
Define a swing trader.
Ano
Alam ba niya ang swing trader?
Oh, yun nga eh.
Baka misalign ang definition eh, di ba?
So that's my number 1, no? Identify kung anong really type of trader ka. Number 2, yung sa adhering your plan. Tama yun, no? You had that set of discipline already na, okay, I'm just going to follow my stop profit or my stop loss and my take profit line. And then from there, see what happened, di ba? Hindi ka nag-overwatch ng PNL. Or, baga, nakaset na-adhere mo yung plan mo. And that was, I think, yun yung mga magagandang trade eh. Yung nafa-follow mo talaga yung trade mo eh. Kasi it will profit-wise, kikita ka at yung discipline mo mabubuo siya time to time if you're going to do that.
Thank you, Kuya Oliver.
Yan, sa akin lang, from Sun 2, no? If you know the enemy and you know yourself, no? You do not need to fear the result of 1,000 battles. So, alam mo muna kung ano yung bagay sa'yo na type of trade. At para hindi ka kakaba-kaba. And also, do some practice. No? Kasi, pagka ikay praktisado, hindi ka kakaba-kaba dyan. And, alinsunod niya sa planning. So, yun lang.
Ako masasabi ko lang sa kanya, ito, he messaged me, nakinig sa atin ngayon itong mukhang mayaman to pare kasi maganda yung pangalan sa maganda yung pangalan niya. Pero mas mayaman ako sa'yo. Sabi ni, maganda yung pangalan niya, baka talagang totoong pangalan, baka totoong trabaho niya to. Sa akin, ang pinakamagandang gawin mo, okay? Sabi niya, day off daw niya today, makakapanood daw siya. Natalo siya ng $250 ang sakit, kaya kailangan po more aral and experience. Tingin ko naman po, tama ang TA, pero di ko pa talaga alam sa sarili ko when to get the right take profit. Sa akin, if you are a swing trader and when you're at work, leave your phone somewhere. You need to nip it to the bud. Kasi yun ang source of temptation, yung telepono nyo, di ba? Tapo mo, diligin mo sa locker mo, di ba? Yun. Mga tayo, di ba? Yun very practical. Yun yung sabi ko sa'yo. Layuan mo. Repel your technology. Kasi swing trader ka eh. Which means, you should be using, what? 1 day, 4 hours, time frame. Malakuyadan ka. Di ba? Swing traders are looking for the swing lows. For example, si Luna, nag-bounce on 4.0. Micro Fibonacci, nakuha natin, di ba? Yun yung swing, nag-swing low pababa, kunin mo pa akyat. You don't need to look at it every day. Kaya isa sa mga sekreto yan, for you to get 400%, 200%, wag niyong mayang tingnan, trust it. Lagi may stop loss ka naman eh.
Tama yan.
Di ba? Parang kunyari, nandiligaw kayo sa babae. Di ba, may mga girls dyan, gusto match, ini-check.
Makikinig ako dito.
Di ba? Match, ini-check. Parang expert ako, no? Parang, match, ini-check. Meron naman dyan, high school ka ba? Parang check ka ng check sa akin. Kumain ka na ba? Babe, kumain ka na ba, babe? Di ba? Babe, kamusta ka na? Tapos, yung mga panahon ako, uso drop call, pare. Naku, hindi nyo inabutan yun.
Nabutan mo?
Hindi ko alam yan.
Drop call, 19-9-2000. Makakatawag ka free 5 seconds.
Oh, yeah.
Libre.
Hello, how are you? Siyempre, siyang girlfriend mo, di ba? College mo, hello, how are you? Kumain ka na ba? Tapos na. Ganon, pare. Ganon
Pag
kali.
1 minute and up, may bayad
Hindi. 10 seconds or 5 seconds drop call for free. Makakatawag kahit wala kang load.
Parang VM.
Ang ganon. Di ba? Text capital pa. Anyways, yun ang masasabi ko sa'yo, no? Na very simple. Pero of course, going deeper dive to the problem, kailangan kailangan kitang mahasa in terms of your time frame utilization. I think that's where the problem is. I think you're executing on a lower time frame. That's why tingin ka ng tingin. Diba? Tingin ka ng tingin eh. So anyways, chart na tayo. 8:18 already. Chart na tayo. Kuya Justin, you wanna chart? Ikaw muna mag-chart.
Sure. Sige po.
Okay. Bitcoin tayo. Bitcoin charting.
Bitcoin.
Para they could still see us. Kasi mawawala tayo sa screen pag share ako eh.
Let me share my screen now. There you go. Kumakalampag na si Bitcoin.
Congratulations to Avier B. Ganda ng testimonial niya sa Discord nung PM sa akin. Congratulations to you. Well done. Daming profits. Grabe. Woo! Congratulations. Mana, EOS, Luna, and ENS. Well done. Okay, Bitcoin. Sana tayo? Uy.
Makakalampag ng 22,600.
Yeah, may 618 niya.
Yes.
Sabi ko na itataas yan dyan eh. Kahapon ko pa sinasabi. Ayun. Perfect. Oscillators going
Although
down,
sa 1
left
hour
hand.
meron ng
Left hand pare, no? Oo. Pero so, can you check the 1 day? Check the 1 day for me. $820.
Ito, coach.
Tapos, remove mo muna si RSI mo. Okay,
Ayan.
ang ganda ng volume. Oh. Okay, people are really... Okay, good. Meron ng 1 day hidden convergence. Very good. Almost, magka-line ba yan? Almost the same price, no? Okay.
Almost the same price.
Okay, so... that's the all-time high price? Tama ba ako?
This one, coach, yung pinagkuhaan ko.
Oo.
68, 69.
Okay, the more the merrier. Okay. So, most recently, yung umaakyat na yan, breakout yan?
This one.
Interesting. Interesting. Okay. So, mukhang... Okay. So, kulungin natin, palitin natin to. Then, let's go on a 1 minute time... 1 minute, sorry. Let's do smaller time frames. So, nag-breakout, no? Very good. Ginamit natin yan. Pumasok tayo 20,000. Meron akong mas maliit na trend line dyan sa ilalim ko pa kinuha. 20,200. Pero that's okay.
Ito, coach. Let's go to 1 minute, no?
Yeah, I'm waiting for ano. So it's hindi siya nasa loob, no? It's anyone's ball game. Naka-breakout na.
Correct. Naka-breakout eh.
Minabati ko si Stealth Gainer, no, sa Twitter. Usap tayo mamaya, ang dami niyang message sa akin, but very good questions. Very, very good questions yung mga binibigyan sa akin, mga questions in Twitter. And then, nangako din akong magbabati ako ng mga nagko-comment. Wait, tapos na ba yung... Teka lang, masingin ko lang, no? Since 8 more minutes. Can you go to Ethereum, Kuya Justin? Okay na ako dyan kay Bitcoin. So, meron kang 618 correction area. Pero nag-breakout na siya.
This is Ethereum, coach.
Ethereum. So, anong basa mo dyan? Saan nag-correct yan? 0.5? Saan niya nag-correct?
Right now, almost touched the 618 eh.
Okay, tama.
Tapos, sinalo tayo ng 0.382.
Tama.
Yan, saktong-sakto. There. And then, if we zoom in,
Saktong 382 nag-oras sa kabila, no?
If we go to lower time frame, like 15 minutes.
7 minutes. Mukhang mababa ito eh. Mababa itong CPI na ito.
Excited na ako mag-1,000. Waiting.
Pero Oliver is bearish, di ba?
Kaya nagsuot ng red yan eh.
Can you plot the 618 of Ethereum, please?
Dito coach, dito sa smaller time frame. Yan, currently retesting 0.618. 1,746.
Pare sila ni Bitcoin?
Nasa 618. But ito, sa smaller swing ito, 15 more.
Yeah, sa 382, correct. So anytime from now, that can get corrected or it can break out sa 618. Can you draw a resistance line doon sa Ethereum natin?
Mas malaki.
Yan, tama na yan. That's okay. In between.
Ito coach, technically parang nagkaroon na siya ng breakout eh, pero may 618 line dito.
Go to 1 hour.
Okay.
Yan yung ano ko kanina sa kanya. Ngayon yung inaral namin.
Ito.
How to find the right trend line.
Okay.
Shout out sa'yo, galingan mo pag nag-trade ka na.
Ayan, currently we have this, the more the merrier.
Okay.
Yan.
We need volume.
So, umahataw si Bitcoin.
Ngayon?
May movement, coach.
Yeah, I'm not trading
Ay.
Meron na akong open position. This is not a day to trade for me, pare. Kahapon, matagal na ako nag-trade. Nag-position na ako for today. I have some brave money already.
Pero volatile.
600. Hindi na lang.
600% ka na?
Okay.
Sige. Very good. Tingnan natin. Alright. Ethereum mukhang magbe-breakout. 4 more minutes. Commercial muna tayo.
Alright.
Isang mabilis na commercial muna kami Miranda. We will be right back. Don't worry, we will not trade. Kasamahan namin kayo. We will be right back. See ya.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Pag nag-e-exam ako, yun makikita ko. Yun lagi nakikita ko. Tapos parang way of, winawalcome mo yung positive energy and ina-achieve ko, di ba?
Simple lang dahil bukod sa pagiging profitable at proven and effective ang Miranda Miner trading system, napakarami mong pwedeng matutunan kay Coach Miranda Miner na hindi mo matutunan sa ibang mga mentor.
Ako po kasi talagang ang hinahanap-hanap ko yung one-on-one coaching. Gusto ko po kasi magkaroon ng personal relationship sa coach or mentor ko. Matanong kasi ako. Kaya perfect po talaga para sa akin ang mentoring class.
Mapapolish mo talaga yung skills mo as a trader at kung anong types of trader ka. Para dun sa mga taong nagdadalawang isip o natatakot na subukan yung crypto trading or alamin yung crypto trading, nahan dito ang Global Miranda Mining System para i-provide sa inyo ang mga necessary data in a way na mas madali nyo siyang maiintindihan.
Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons.
Hi, Coach Miranda Miner. We talked a few times now before, but I didn't get to formally introduce myself back. So I'm good. I'm an airline pilot, and I'm Elite University graduate, beginner's class batch 21 and intermediate class batch 18. I'm also a former mentee of my high school classmate and barkada, si Mentor Luke. I want to take this opportunity lang to thank you not only for teaching us a very safe and effective trading system, not only sa mga fundamental and technical analysis every night during live session, not only sa anatomy of fish and port creation ng intermediate class, but most importantly, I want to thank you Coach for teaching us good trading psychology na pwede rin i-apply in real life scenario. Thank you always Coach for going the extra mile to help others, and sana huwag ka magsasawang tumulong sa community. And ayun lang. I love you 3,000 Coach, and shout out ko na rin yung buong Miranda community.
Hello!
We're back.
1 minute. Ito na. 0.618. Ito, guys, remember, this is the 618 resistance of Bitcoin.
Lumabas na, guys. CPI rises 0.1, no? Okay, basahin natin. Ito, I'm going to show in my screen right now. How's the coin? Is it improving?
Hindi, grabe. Nagkakapitulate.
Bagsak, grabe. 8:30, CPI rose 0.1%, increased 8.3%, no? Increase, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so flat or almost increased to 0.1%, no? For, ayan, 8.3 all items. Nag-increase lang tayo ng 0.1. Where did we saw a decrease? Energy went down, gasoline went down. Food tumaas, medyo food, energy, all items, commodities, tumaas. So, everything else went higher except for gas. So, talagang you could never tell, no? You could never tell. Let's go back to your presentation, Kuya Justin.
Yan, right now we are ranging at 21,000, no? From 22,700, kinakatok natin yan. We went down to 21,800.
Woo! Take profit. Grabe na activate si take profit natin. Kuya Oliver, ikaw ang tumama. Congratulations.
Yep. So,
red lang din ako. Bago mag-red lang din ako.
Grabe, no? Pag talagang boom, flat, tapos tumakit, bam, negative, di ba?
Yep. At yun, naka-DYM na ako. Thank you. Excel po.
Okay lang, mababa ko naman ako kasi.
Well done, guys. Congratulations. Tingnan natin. 1 minute yan, 1 minute.
1 minute, this 1 minute.
Grabe. Kinorek ng 618. Diba? Pero, again, tingnan natin, guys. Tingnan natin. How about if you can go to Ethereum?
Ethereum, the same.
Grabe to. Alam mo, pag talagang alam mo ang CPI, you're really gonna be winners, no?
Correct.
Alright, 1 minute. Miranda. Teka lang, can you, saan bumasag yan? 1676?
This is the 0.382 kanina.
So, hanggang saan sasalo yan? Ano yung pinaka-ilalim niyan? Sige nga, can you plot? Alam mo, nag-close yung position ko kay Bitcoin. 190% nag-close siya.
190?
Profit.
Ang pwedeng sumalo, if you're gonna use this Fibonacci, hold on. Ay, hindi. Ito pala yung 0.382, 1,649.
1649, no? Pwede mag-abang ng bounce.
Correct.
Okay. Pero 1 minute pa yan eh. Kasi kung magpupula to, 9:30, no? 9:30. The market can continue bleeding when the US market opens. Alam mo, isa to sa mga pinapasalamatan ko with terms of our knowledge, no? Kasi hindi naman lahat may alam nito.
Yes.
'Di ba? Hindi lahat may alam nito, and again, from a perspective of a trader, pag alam mong may CPI, talagang volatile ang candle, no? Galing. Yep. Congratulations.
Ako guys, nagpapasalamat ako kay Coach Miranda Miner. Kung hindi ko siya nakilala, hindi ko malalaman to.
Correct. Same goes with me. Kasi 'di ba, I'm very transparent naman that I used to have different system. Pero more on technicals lang ako doon, literally. I don't have FA. So this time, I'm more FA plus technical analysis. Sobrang perfect combination.
So, kung di ko nakilala si Coach Miranda Miner, all this time, pagka may gumalaw na ganyan, sabihin ko, may waves na nagbenta. Yun lang ang reason ko.
Oo, yun. China. Yun yung agad ano sana ko, China.
Anyways, sige guys, hanap tayo ng support. Tulungan, let's help the market, no? 1 minute candle yan, huwag kayong mataranta. Wait, huminahon kayo. Huminahon, wait guys. And it can go back to where it used to be, ha? Careful.
Yes.
So, 1 minute candle, the market is overreacting because ang umakyat lang naman ng 0.1. No? Kasi ano bang effect niyan? Ano bang pwedeng mangyari if it goes higher? Of course, si Fed iisipin na naman niya, tumataas ng konti. Itataas ko lalo ng 100 basis points yung interest rates. Lalong hindi magrarally ang market. No? So again, sabi ko nga sa inyo, depende kung ano yung magiging resulta, then we're going to react based on that. No? So technically, and besides left hand kasi,
Correct, Coach. Yeah. May left hand na rin kasi talaga siya.
Left hand, TA-wise. Pero again, ganun talaga. Wala tayong magagawa. So, nag-take profit tayo dun sa positions natin. Anyways, meron kayong inabang na short na trigger order? Wala.
Sabi ko kasi walang magte-trade pag start ng live
Very good. Good job. Okay, ako hindi rin. Na-miss ko.
Ako
okay lang, meron akong stop limit, no? Nag-stop limit naman siya. So, that's okay.
So for Bitcoin, Coach, expected possible bounce. Itong dating resist support natin, that's 21,465, pero mukhang babasagin niya pa, no?
21,465.
If we do swing low to swing high, this 0.382 could react 21,155.
Okay.
If you look at the 15-minute candle, ang laki pala niyan. Sobrang
malaki, volatile, sobra. Actually, 1 minute lang sobrang laki niya. But tingnan mo yung price niya bilang umaakyat, di ba? So, volatility is king on CPI. But I wanted to see the support. So, 21,400 kay Bitcoin. What's your 618? 20,000?
This is going to be 20,147.
May previous support sa kabila?
Meron.
Yeah. Makes sense. Tama. Very good.
Yan. So, mga ka-Miranda, remind you also na mag-ingat, no? Na FOMO, no? Bakit pwede kayong maipit sa mga weak at it can retrace back to hit your stop losses. Or mag-ingat din sa high leverage, no? Kapag di na gumamit, lalo ngayong volatile. So, yun lang.
21,400. Okay. And then 20,150. Makes sense. Grabe yung pula, no? Dami naka-order.
Grabe.
Marunong tong market na to. Hindi lang tayo may alam ng market. Marami nag-aabang sa CPI talaga.
Yes, coach.
Pero magpasalamat tayo. Alam na natin yan.
Tama. Type 1 ka, Miranda, no? Kung believe ka na sa CPI.
Meron pa, paparating. September 15, 16, September 21, FOMC. September 22, Vasil, no? 15, 16. Dami.
Yung Mount Gox somewhere will happen between 15 and 20 goes.
As per the unofficial news sources. Yan ang sasabihin natin. Unofficial news sources. So, bullish engulfing ang candle. Mukhang may kasunod na bearish. Bearish engulfing ang candle. Mukhang may kasunod pa.
Pwede, Coach. Kasi 9:30 opening ng US market. Then, pwedeng sumabay.
Yep. So, also, let us see.
And tumama siya sa technical analysis natin. It could really possibly go down because meron na rin divergence or may left hand na rin .
So, trabaho natin dito, hanapin talaga natin ang support area. No? So, meron na tayong Bitcoin, meron na tayong Ethereum, what else? Can we look for the top other coins, the top 10 coins? Mukhang bababa din yan .
Sino ba? Si BNB? Let's try.
BNB.
Lolo ko si BNB. Ayun, BNB.
Yan. Tingin ko yung mente ko, si Ian kanina, sabi niya may shorting siya sa BNB.
Ayun. We got corrected on a 0.5.
Puro 0.5, no?
1 hour possible support para medyo malayo-layo pa.
Yeah, no?
For BNB, 284 or your 0.38.
Binasag din niya yung 290, no? Yung common support mo dyan.
Basag na rin.
Para gumawa to ng right hand, kailangan niyang abutin yung 258.
258?
Correct? Ganun na ba?
Coach, yeah. Para gumawa ng right hand.
258, yeah. Para mag-normalize yung candle na yan, kailangan mo mag-bounce on 382, 284. Potentially, your MACD can go back from the zero line territory paakyat. So, kailangan niya mag-normalize.
Yes.
Dito.
Volatility, grabe. Alam mo, that's weird, no? Ma-comment ko lang, that's weird, no? Kasi, bumaba lahat ng presyo, pero sobrang confusing ng indicators ng CPI na to. Sabi ko nga, employment, ang ganda. Wage is increasing. Ang pangit lang, yung prices ng goods bumababa. Parang one of the most confusing indicators. Kaya talagang importante, nag-aabang tayo ng CPI for us to position. You really never know. You really will never know.
What was the value, Coach? 8.3%?
8.3 tumaas ng isa. Ng
Yes, previously is 8.5. Tama ba?
Hindi. You're reading the headline inflation. So, mamaya, I'm going to summarize. Pero tumaas ng 0.1, guys. Tumaas ng 0.1.
Grabe yung 0.1 na yun. Coach, ang laki ng ano.
Hindi, kasi people were expecting for a reduction eh. Kasi ang baba ng prices ng oil, di ba? Kahit naman ako, meaning
Correct.
I was expecting for a reduction of the CPI eh. Pero again, we don't know their entire economics. Kaya we're also reliant on CPI. Di ba? Even other analysts, sinasabi nila nag-peak na yung inflation. Di ba? Ay ngayon, tumaas pa ng September. Di tataas ulit ng inflation. So, ibig sabihin yan, ang another bearish movement, September 2021. Diba? So, ganun ang labanan dyan. Diba? Malamang, yung mga naka 125x dyan, sunog yan.
Sunog.
Sunog yan. Mga ganyang galawan ng market. Ang masarap dyan, nakuha mo yung bounce sa ilalim maya-maya.
Yep. Pagbukas ng market, no?
Correct.
Natin.
Okay. Alright. Yung iba, actually, mix yung market natin. May mga nasunugan, may mga nag-easy profits. Congratulations sa mga nag-profit, sa mga nasunugan. Again, it's a trading game, no? You trade based on where the market is going. Ang lesson learned dyan, really wait for the actual data to come in before you put any positions. Diba?
Correct.
Agree.
Okay. Sabi ni Alistair, wag mag-trade pag nasa work, hindi raw siya nakatutok. Alright.
Yes.
Proper position sizing lang naman, di ba po, sa 125? Pwede naman. Correct, that's correct. Pwede yun. You could do that, basta make sure you do your position size correctly. Don't make your capital get wiped out. Alright. Dapat talaga mag-wait before mag-long, sabi ni Miao Mao. Mark Anthony, nasunog daw siya. Sabi ni Zay Skittles, hindi naman to siya nakapasok, wait lang, bilis. Long na yan sa loss sa ilalim. Well, wait kayo ng bounce, no? Ayan, nasa na ba? Point, ano yan? ADA? Cardano. Go back to Bitcoin.
Yeah. Sabi ni Carl, proper position sizing lang naman, di ba? Yan, isa sa mga importante yan, guys.
Correct.
expectation size.
Sabi ni Axel, kumita na raw ng pahinga na ng 2 days, kumita na raw siya. Congratulations.
Very good.
Minute before mag-CPI, place long and short pareho. Set ng SL at take profit. Pwede. You hedge the price. DXY strong breakout. Okay. Dollar. Tataas yan. Bakit? Ba't tataas ang dollar? Ini-expect na naman ng market na mag-i-interest rate increase si Fed.
So medyo bearish catalyst na naman tong Sep 21 natin, coach. Ba?
Sabi ni Francis Store, 60 XRP profit, congrats. I do stop limit in long and short. Nakalabit si short 22,400. Very good. Pwede na ako magpahinga in 2 days. Kumita na. Axel, ako naman waiting nakanganga. Sabi ni Michelle Bailan.
Sabi ni Paul, thank you. Easiest $100 of my life. Ako, Paul. Mga Paul na ganyan, foggy yan.
Ay.
Mga Paul talaga, mga pogi. Coach, pa-check BTC 1-day time frame. Bigger trend line resistance na untog. Yan kanina, bigger trend line, no? Pinakita kanina ni Justin. Buti na lang naka-TP ako kanina 22,500. Kung may CPI pala, coach, na maganda CCI ang gamitin na indicator. When market starts to get bullish, we go bearish and vice versa. Mga kontra. May tawag dyan. You call it a contrarian mindset. Contrarian ang tawag. Sa ETH, short ako tapos na break even muna ako bago mag-dump. Ha. Sell on news talaga. Malayo pa rin kasi sa actual target. Nakalabit yun 22, pero kasi totoo lang, tama naman, no, before tayo nag-start nasa 618 no.
Correct coach.
618. Jason TV, ako lang ba na liquidate? Lock bearish news, left hand nag-activate ang Bitcoin. Very good, I agree. Activated ang left hand natin. Sunog, deatherd, sayang. Anong ibig sabihin ng left hand? Left hand ito, left hand. Kamay, left hand. Price oscillators. Yeah. I teach that in the university. Alright. Bakit ka kasi sumunod sa advice ni Raccoon? Kaya tuloy na liquidate ka. Alright. Walang naging entry. Thankful.
Also, basahin ko lang yung super chat from Clark Macedonio. Nagbenta si coach kaya bumagsak.
May pahint na si coach kanina, lupit. Thank you CMM. Salamat. Coach, ano pong nagbagandang gawin? $70 scalp or intraday? Paano sasagutin yan, guys?
$70?
Intraday or scalp, sabi niya.
I mean, it doesn't depend on your margin. You can trade kung scalp mo yan, go. Kung intraday mo yan, go. But it depends on which ka ba compatible dun sa dalawa. Ano ba mas mataas yung win rate mo?
Yep.
All right. No, yung left hand and right hand is actually on the beginner class, not on the intermediate. Okay, explain nyo yung CPI. CPI, guys. So, CPI, let me actually try to open that. Share ko lang yung screen ko, mentors, ha? Wait a second. Okay, open natin, no? Para makita nyo, guys, no? Yan. So, yung most recent, yan. Kakalabas lang, no? Alright, September 13, CPI 0.1% in August, no? Being unchanged in July. Ito po yung kanyang performance. All items, technically 0.1. Malaki yan, no? Kung titingnan mo. Pero to be honest, pag layman term, medyo maliit lang yan. But if you look at it, energy really went down. You know, ito yung energy. Composed of almost 25, actually no, not 25. Bumaba yung presyo ng energy natin, and of course for electricity, Utilities, umakyat. Commodities, used cars, bumaba. Apparel, umakyat. Medical care, umakyat. Services, umakyat. Medyo halos lahat. Bakit? All explanations are actually here. Yan. So from this, ang ibig sabihin nito, kapag ang CPI or ang inflation umakyat ng kahit 0.1 lang, ang market kasi matalino, to be honest with you. Matalino ang market. The market actually is going to tell us, is going to follow where the trend is going. No, when the market can actually potentially follow, no? At it can sway the price. Abangan nyo 9:30 ng gabi sa atin. Another let me double check the pre-market prices. Give me a second, guys, no? Naku, pula lahat. Pula. Ang lalim mo, grabe. Pula lahat, oh.
Grabe.
Tesla negative 3.45, Apple negative 2. Pula lahat to. Mukhang another drop to. Or, ang pwedeng mangyari, abangan nyo yung 618s ninyo. Ngayon, abangan nyo yung mga 618s, look for a potential support, no? Pag ganyan at 9:30 pula pa, normally, it can potentially get the institutions to also sell their positions, no? Dalawa. So guys, tandaan natin pag CPI update, actually kahit ako malungkot, no, pero nag-take profit, activate yung take profit area natin, but profit is profit, no. Ganun talaga. And ang kagandahan nito, let's look at it on the good side, no. Abang tayo ng potential bounce as long as the support will support. Okay? So what do you guys think, mentors?
Agree, coach, no? Pag ganito yung market, no, if you're not really comfortable on trading this type of market, huwag nyo lang sabayan. Wait for your support lines, no? Use your Fibonacci, identify, you do backtesting on those supports, and you wait for possible potential bounce on scalping perspective.
Correct. So ikaw, kuya, tinipin mo na ba yung RVN mo? RVN ba yon yung inaantay mo, Justin?
Si Bitcoin yun, coach, pero medyo mababa ako naman nakuha. So, I don't know kung ma-hit yung stop profit ko, hindi pa. Hindi pa naman.
We'll see. Alright. Ikaw, Kuya Oliver. Nakamute ka.
Nakamute ka, pare.
And nag-scalp lang ako kanina nung pagbagsak niya sa loan C. Naka-easy 117% ako. So, yun lang. Sinabayan ko lang yung volatility, and after that, maghihintay ako. No? Hindi ako magpapaka-bullish, hindi ako magpapaka-bearish. Market openings, magiging bubukas yung mga exchanges. Sabihin, dadami na naman yung mga volumes. So anything can go north or south dyan eh. So, yun lang sa akin.
Okay, can we show our screen again, Justin? Let's look for the 618. I think the community is asking. Let's show it again. Sabi ni SM, bakit 8:30 nag-release ang CPI? 8:30 siya talaga, guys. Every almost second Tuesday of the month yan. Second or third Tuesday. Pero may schedule kasi yan, no? Basta normally 8:30 po ng gabi yan. Can we look for the 618? Let's wait for the potential bounce. Or pag bumasag pa dyan, short. Pababa.
Correct. On a bigger time frame perspective, I'm on 1 hour. Yung pinaka 618 mo is 20,153.
And then yung 382, 21,146, no?
Coach, yeah.
Yep.
Pwede pa yan. Pwede pa ma-hit yan. Abang ka na ng bounce. Do not catch the falling knives. Pababa. Di bababa talaga.
Yes. Correct.
Alright. Tama ba? So, sabi ng community, 20,157 daw yung support. Tama ba?
On a 618, yes, coach, tama.
Okay, very good ka. J-Fig, yan. Okay, chill zone, tama ka din. J-Fig, correct. How about sa Ethereum? Sabi ni Vince, 1605 ba?
Ethereum is 16, ayan, 1605. 618.
618 line, no? 618.
Upon the previous swing, no? 152, 17, Or 1780 plus.
Yeah, tama. 1605 to be exact.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Nakabawi konti na lang lugi, sabi ni Jesse Villanueva. Nadala sa long. Masyadong nadala sa long. Okay. Okay. Alright. Sabi ni Dale Leonora, 2159. Alright. Alright. Salamat sa news, sabi ni Orland, no? $1,000 aabot. Very good. Alright. Can we go to Ada? Sabi ng isang nag-comment. Can we go to Ada? It's me, Camps.
Cardano. Favorite coin din. 0.5 but our 618, grabe yung kandila sa 1 hour. 618 is 0.4620.
Parang yung go to September. Can you go to September 8? September 7, September 8.
This one.
Yung pinakahuling retracement na sobrang haba.
Ito, this one.
Yan. Yan yung sumabay sa breakdown ni Bitcoin, Tapos umakyat. So from there, can you go, zoom out ka nga, Justin. Swing low, swing high ka. Kunin mo yung 0.40, pinakamalalim yan, hanggang doon sa swing ng 0.52. Gusto ko makita ba't nag-bounce yun doon.
0.40?
Oo, yung pinakamababa mo yan. So, kunin mo yung pinakatuktok yan. Ano yan? So nagkaroon siya ng 6786. Okay.
786.
Interesting. So talagang binasag si 618, tumuloy-tuloy pababa. Kinuha ng 7. Talagang correlated move kay Bitcoin, Okay. Alright, ma-apply ba ang late magic sa small time frame? Rarely go to higher time frame for you to see the bigger anatomy. So my answer to your question is use it on higher time frame. All right, lower time frame at least 1 hour.
At least 1 hour.
All right, nag-bounce si BTC. Okay, very good. Di ko pa ata nababawi ng ipit kong okay. Sabi ni Iliad and Odyssey. Coach, I've enrolled recently in the university. I really did not have any knowledge. Cryptocurrency, I finished your 8-week course and there are some things I don't get. Ganun talaga, Mark, no? Wag mo madaliin, no? Learn ka lang. May free university tayo yung 8-week course natin. Charlie Main, gusto ko sa baba. Alright. Ano pa mga comments dito? Dapat sa mga ganitong... Uy! Alright. Any other? Sige, basta tayong comments.
Sige, Coach. Si Lunsi daw, 7% down. Yan. Grabe.
Pero bakit di bumaba yung Lunsi na yan? Why did it not go down? Sabi nung isang nag-comment, why is it that it's still holding its level?
Let's check.
Kita ko na.
Oversold na?
618, Coach?
618 eh.
Can I see it? I want to see it.
Yep. Yeah.
Kinuha mo sa ilalim talaga. Sige. Very skilled.
Ayan, no? Tsaka previous resistance natin.
Yep.
Kunin mo nga sa tuktok.
This one, Coach?
Pababa. Extension mo.
Okay.
Ayan. So, siya na nag-bounce. Microfib, no?
Microfib 618 din to, Coach. Microfib natin.
Kasi minsan, to be honest, medyo mahirap kunin yung ginawa mo kanina. Not everyone can do that.
Yeah.
Kasi mahirapan ka doon. Napakalalim nun.
Tama.
Alright, 6-1. Tapos si Luna.
This is Luncy. Si Luncy.
Can you go to
Meron ba?
Luna?
Nanggal ko kasi sa watchlist ko yun eh. Luna.
Your favorite, Justin.
Oo nga eh. Lagyan na, gamitan natin ng extension. Halos parehas lang, coach.
So parehas lang, no? Exactly. That's where it bounced, no? Alright. Pag ganyan, Mickey Mouse, potentially look for a bounce or a breakdown play. No? Pero meron ng hidden convergence yan. Same price but your MACD is going up, so potentially, don't go
Pwede na, no?
Don't go all in on short. You need to wait. You need to wait for this to confirm on a bounce play.
Yes.
Alright. Ano pa pag-usapan natin? 9:30, aabangan na natin to.
Na-amaze lang, coach, no? You can see, no, pagka gatong may mga fundamentals, no? It goes to show na we don't have to trade every day, diba? Pagka minsan, if you are busy at work, abangan mo lang to mga important dates, no? Mga golden nuggets. At you can be profitable. Just, let's say, 5 trades a month, diba? You don't have to trade every day. Abangan mo lang yung mga ganyan.
And yun yung mga kailangan yung i-trade na medyo that can give you bigger profits, no? Yung mga may FA, yung may mga panggas, 'di ba? You don't need to really sweat the small stuff, no? Hirap ka na mag-chart, no? But you're missing the good breakouts or the breakdowns, and yun yung mga FAs. Yun ang antayin natin. Alright, so let's check kung may mga questions pa, no? Let's see.
Luncy Torres Gomez.
Nabasa ko.
Ano sabi?
So, ano daw apelido ni Luncy? Luncy Torres Gomez.
Wait guys, good question to. Ethereum merge, will it impact like magnitude ng CPI? What do you guys think?
Ayan, no? Oo nga, no? Ethereum merge will impact like magnitude ng CPI.
What do you guys think?
Sa akin, coach, not so much kasi people can sell on news eh. So, bigger market pa rin sa akin.
Correct.
Ikaw, Justin.
Sa akin naman, kasi yung diniscuss natin prior this live, yung people could switch from mga nagtitrade ng Solana and Cardano, mag-switch ng Ethereum, just like what happened to RVN and Luncy. Pwede kasing maging ganun eh. So I think it's still possible.
Yan.
Ayun. So ano ba?
Bakit mahirap? So let's go. Yan, sabi ni Buddy, bakit mahirap i-trade when there's a CPI report? Because you will never know.
Correct.
You will never know the result, no? And everyone is waiting. Kahit naman mga analysts, kahit naman din ako eh. I can get invalidated. Even the other analysts that we are hearing, mga kanya-kanya mga perspectives, data is king, data is a god, so to speak, no? Whatever data shows, people make decisions out of it. But ang pinaka-importante dyan, hindi naman ibig sabihin na bumaba yung CPI or tumaas, magpa-follow yung price. Merong in the middle explanation yun. Pag bumaba yung CPI, it's what the market reaction is on the Fed action based on what the CPI is. So tandaan yun eh. At least meron na kayong isang buwan, meron na kayong isang araw every month na pang baon. Diba? Meron na kayong 1 month na baon. Actually, dalawa yan. FOMC meeting, tsaka CPI report. Yan lang ang dalawa nyo. At, diba, again, siguro, a little bit of information sa mga bagong nakikinig sa atin. I think it's important to take note that bihira sa mga traders ang nakakaalam na merong effect ang CPI sa crypto. Di ba? Many traders are aware na crypto is freestanding, all independent. Apparently hindi, no? And you know, last year we don't talk about CPI simply because, you know, I'll admit it, I don't focus on big CPI numbers last year. No, it's only this year when we saw really huge correlation on the bigger market. Most especially when the war on Ukraine happened in February. Tumuloy-tuloy eh. Tumuloy-tuloy yung correlation, mas lalong tumaas. Unlike 2019, you know, 2020, 2021, tumuloy-tuloy na, no, yung correlation natin. 2021 nung nagkaroon ng gera, 2022 tumuloy-tuloy na siya. So look at it on a bright side, Miranda, no? And at the end of the day, if you lost today or if you won today, you know, what's more important is we learned our lesson every day that we trade. Alright, pero bang tanong about the job report, Coach, may malaking impact ba sa market? Guys, I don't see it. To be honest, I don't even report it nga eh, di ba? Meron jobs report, di ba? I don't think, kasi minsan natatabunan siya ng mga bigger news. CPI, you know, payroll report, kung sinabi ko kanina, no? Medyo confusing yung market, iba-ibang indicator yung binibigay. Alright. Yan. Sabi ni Jesse, pahamak yung mga analyst. Akala ko talaga tataas na, pero sa TA ko may nakikita akong left hand sa higher time frame sa analyst ako naniwala. Alright, ano pong magre-represent pag sinabing mababa ang volume? Konti ang nagtitrade ng coin or konti na lang ang coin? The trading volume po yan, hindi not the trading the coin. Paano malalaman yung important FA dates? We're going to release it, Miranda. We're going to release, actually we released it already 2 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago. Yeah, so follow us in our social platforms. No? Facebook, Twitter ni Coach Miranda Miner, and then yung group natin and page.
Okay. May nagtanong, nag-support na ba? Did we see a support already? Can you replot before tayo mag-wrap up ng session? Kasi guys, pag ito hindi mag-support, 9:32 tuloy-tuloy ito. Pangit ng market, pangit ng stocks.
Yung pinaka-immediate support natin, wait, I'm gonna share my screen.
Dowell Serrano, congrats. Sabi niya, finally coach, may pang-enroll na. Well done, congratulations.
Very good. Yung pinaka-immediate support natin at 21,462. This one, mukhang binabasag na.
618 or 382? 382 yan, di ba?
This one, yung 21,134 is our 0.38.
Okay.
Mukhang dito magsusupport. Hindi pa naman.
Okay, so anong time frame? 15 minutes?
Correct, 15 minutes.
Okay.
We go up to 1 hour. Wala, laki ng kandila. We don't catch this type of candles.
Bakit magkakaiba ang chart ng exchanges?
Paano magkakaiba?
Kakaiba yung price.
Magkakaiba
yung price.
Bakit? Kasi the price is based on the people who are buying and selling on those platforms, guys. Kaya medyo iba. Pero magkalapit, may minor difference lang.
Correct.
Date lang.
Okay, Mark, yung gate token, I'll check that next time, no? We'll focus first on the bigger market trend. Pasensya ka na, ha? Sabi ni Juju, sa Twitter po may nakapansin akong ibang analyst opposite yung binabalita. Sabi po ng iba, ginagawa daw po yun ng mga ibang nakapwesto to lessen their loss. Mga tawag doon contrarians, no? May mga ganun talaga. People use social media to hype the market, lalo na yung mga big influencers and yung mga merong you know, there is actually may mga influencers na magsasabi sa if they have a position. For honesty, no? Kasi they don't wanna hype you just because they have a position. Alright. Okay. So
yeah. Sa 1,300 viewers, palike naman.
Yeah. Check if gumagana yung like.
Thank you.
What's dovish and hawkish? Hawkish meaning ito yung term ng Federal Reserve. If they're hawkish, means they're going to increase interest rates. If they're dovish, ibig sabihin nun, makalapate, medyo mababa, they're going to lower down interest. Ang palatandaan nyo doon, hawkish, mas mataas ang lipad, mas mataas ang interest rates nila. Dovish, medyo mabait, pababa, mas mababa yung lipad, mas mababa yung interest rates. Yun ang mnemonics nyo doon. Alright. Okay. Okay. Hindi ko alam kung autistic si Vitalik. Sorry
Ano yung tinatanong?
Pero may nakita akong controversial picture ng Vitalik no? Kung ano nakita niyo?
Oo. Yeah, I saw it. Bullish?
Yung bullish na babae yata kasama niyo ba? Babae ba yun?
May merge daw
Alright. Okay. Ethereum, we're good with that. Don ET, coach, how about September 22? What's in September 22, mentors?
I believe, if I'm not mistaken, Basil Hardport.
Basil Hardport.
Ng ADA, no?
Ayan, Basil Hardport. Ano yung nauuna, FA or price action? Of course, FA, because FA, you know it in advance. Okay? There are indicators that you know in advance. For example, of course, itong data natin, this is actually, you become reactive because you only get to know it a day before. Diba? But if you really think about it, there are times when you will already know in advance. Kasi nga, yung price ng mga goods, alam mo na naman yan ahead of time Ahead of time. Diba? You will really feel, lalo na kung Amerikano ka. Siguro ang mahalaga dito, Miranda, ang siguro pinaka-takeaway natin dito is, let's nourish that knowledge na meron tayo ngayon. Because hindi naman po lahat ng traders alam ang CPI. 'Di ba? Let's nourish this piece of information na alam natin every time na merong CPI, the market can react volatile. What's important, Miranda, is you trade the money that you're willing to lose and you can afford to lose. 'Di ba? You have the right position size. No, kahit gaano pang leverage yan, I don't mind as long as you don't wipe out your capital. Okay? And we have you have your stop profits, you have your stop losses, and you'll be good, no? Ganun talaga ang market, no? At the end of the day, the market can invalidate or support any trader, no? The most important lesson even for me, to be honest, as your coach, is dapat we take accountability on not to hype the community. Yan po ang sinasabi ko sa dalawang ito rin. No, I don't want anyone to hype anyone in the community. We need to always put our disclaimers because we don't manage your money. We're not your financial advisors. Diba? And iba ang risk namin sa inyo. Iba ang aming risk orientation. Diba? Iba ang pera namin sa pera. We could teach you the system, right? And we teach you multiple steps to approach this market. It will really depend on, A, did you trade all your money? B, if you lost today, then you could still move on because it's the money you're willing to lose, di ba? And you're wanting to ride on volatility. And of course, most importantly, yung capital preservation ninyo, at the end of the day, you're willing to not lose all of your capital because you're doing the right position sizing on your coin. Marami pang CPI. And then September 15, 16, the merge, no? If you are approaching an FA date, do not make any big possessions yet. You wait for the right time, no? And then mas maganda na nakikita mo yan ahead of time. Okay, mas maganda nakikita mo yan ahead of time. And ano mas nauuna? Of course, kadalasan FA, you already know it. For example, you have your merge, 'di ba? So, katandaan mo lang that kahit alam mo na may FA na, you will really never know if it's going to affect your price. Because may tinatawag tayong buy on rumor, sell on news. Okay, you're gonna be, now, karugtong ng sagot ko sa'yo, you have your FA, Your price activity or your price action will now be dependent on how the bigger market will react. Kasi ang tao lang naman, they just follow. Diba? The trend is your friend.
Exactly.
So I hope nasagot yung tanong ninyo, okay? Alright. Mamayang 9:30 ulit. TP daw muna si Chill Zone TV. Congratulations to you. Yeah, sabi ni Alan, looks like red ang pre-market. Yes, red siya. Alright, be careful in DCA when you have a bearish market bias, sabi ni Daniel Peñalosa. Alright. What else, guys? What other things do we have in the chat room?
Ako coach, no? Naalala ko nga pala. Kakaroon dito ng, what do you call this? Yung atinan nyo coach, yung NFT ba yun? Baka yun dyan si coach, yung NFT assembly sa Philippines. Yeah.
Okay. Kailan ng FOMC coach? September 21. Saan yung site para makita yung US market, yung pinakita nyo kanina? Sige, share ko sa link ninyo. Okay, wait lang. Coach, bakit ang pula ng market 8.3 naman ng CPI? Because there is a 0.1 increase versus last month. My first 200 in one day, Robinhood Earth. Very good, congrats.
Very good.
Sipag yan.
Coach, what is the buying pressure in MACD? Ano sabihin ng buying pressure? Mentors.
It's your histogram. Check your histogram, yung solid green, light green. So if it's solid green, then that's a solid buying pressure. If it's light green, then it's a weakening of buying pressure. So alternate naman if you're gonna check yung sell and selling pressure.
Sabi ni Elysis, good thing to coach ano bumaba, and if baba then BTC is still following 5-year data. So October we can expect to follow. Pwede, di ba? But let's not do that fallacy na 5 years red, then September red talaga. Kasi iba naman kasi yung years ngayon. Although historically September, may mga ganyan din kasi sa stock market eh. Sell in May and go away, sabi nila, di ba? May mga ganyang mga cultural ino-observe yung mga traders. So gusto ko mang sabihin, but we're only at the mercy of the data. Data is showing it's all bear on September. We'll see.
Sabi ni Navigator, coach, PIB settings mo po. So, default lang yan.
Default. Pili ka na ng magandang kulay.
Para nainganyo ka.
Meron mga mentors, di ba? May pagka-colorblind. So, they just choose gray and white ba? Tama?
Pinel, iba yung kuya yung favorite.
Blue and white. Gray and white.
Okay. Coach, anong time frame po kayo tumitingin para sa potential entry? You wanna answer that, mentors?
Oliver.
Time frame, no? It depends on your type of trade. So kung scalp ka, 5 minutes below. Yeah. Kung tayo intraday, 15 minutes to 1 hour. And swing 4 hours to a day. Yeah. And position weeks to months. Yeah.
Correct.
So are you a believer of BTC halving cycle? Yes. Alright, aha moment, yung journal mo yung trade, tapos i-summarize ang win rate per strategy para malaman kung anong klaseng trader ka. Absolutely, very good point.
Correct, sobrang effective.
Iliad and Odyssey, congrats. Nag-support na ba si BTC, Edwin? Sa likod kanina, no? Hindi pa. 21,400, tama ba? Justin?
Yes. Yes, coach, yeah. 21,400, pero mukhang binabasa niya na. Ang next support natin is yung pinaka 0.382 natin, which is 21,160.
Feeling ko magko-crossover tayo 9:30.
Oo nga.
12 minutes na lang, no? 12 minutes na lang. 9:30 tayo. TP hit Vince, Ethereum. May lying in check ba si Oliver?
Ano, parang naging yung fast talk na to.
Yung fast talk na no?
Meron daw ba, Oliver?
Wala po. Japanese.
Muntik na. Koreano. Okay.
Coach, if may magandang katulad nito na CPI, ano pinakamagandang time frame to entry? Plot on a higher time frame, execute on your scalps.
Scalping.
Kulungin nyo. Kulungin nyo yung sa triangle or to arrange yung price and then look for a potential entry points based on that. All right. Kumanta ka daw, Oliver.
Naku. Naging talk show no? Trader tayo ngayon. Aha moment daw yung anatomy of the beast. Ayan.
Good job. Thank you for that. Good comment. Moody.
Ito may tanong, 17K na ba ang next target, coach? Wala pa.
17,000?
Si Bitcoin daw. Relax ka lang. Wala pa lang.
If the price is oversold for one time frame, may chance pa rin bumaba? Yes. Yes. If you will notice, mag-open ka ng RSI chart. Minsan yung current RSI mo 30 pero yung katabi niya nagna 19. Pero bumaba yun.
Correct. Coach, pwede ba mag-enroll ulit sa mentoring? Gusto kong mentor yung Pogi. Kaso lahat kami Pogi, Sir Dusty. Paano yun?
Si Dusty ba yun? I see you bukas, Dusty.
Si Dusty.
Sa ating Wednesdays, no? Tomorrow.
Sa Wednesday natin.
Masag na daw yung BTC. Hindi ako tumitingin sa chart. Can you guys double check?
Yun, binrake niya yung immediate resistance na as
1,400 ng naghahabol talaga sila no, as usual, as what we have said. Si Ethereum, anong support nito?
Si Ethereum.
Nasaan na siya?
618 na to, coach eh. Nasa 618 na. 1,605 is your 618.
Sige, kasi medyo negative ang opening ng stock market. Can we now go to our extended fib pababa? Ano yung next support natin?
Wait. Hold on.
Previous swing low na yan or ano? Isa pa yan pag nag-open sa stock market, no? Oversold na. Diyan, open RSI ka din. Hindi, wag mong kunin yan, Justin. Kunin mo yung pinakailalim, 144 ng Ethereum yung price.
This one, coach?
Nene, kunin mo yung ilalim mo na price, yung mag-swing, low swing high ka.
Okay.
618.
Yan. 1563.
1540 for me.
Nene, 1563, di ba?
15.
618 mo. Yan yung pinaka-swing low niya, no? Pwede
yan
ba
yung pinaka-swing low to swing high.
Pwede ba nagla-lighten ba yung selling pressure or ano ba yan?
Actually, naka-buying pressure pa rin tayo. So, hindi. Wala. Solid red. Solid red pa din.
Weird.
If we go to 15 minutes, still solid. 5 minutes, medyo lightening.
So wala, sorry guys, numikab ako, wala pang tulog. Alright, so red, okay, lightening ka sa 5 minutes lang naman yan, no? So but go to your 1 hour.
1 hour still solid red. Pulling na, grabe. Laki.
Grabe. So, pwede pang magana yan. Continue. Pero let's see.
Pag nag-chart ba sa BTC USDT, dapat ba standard futures tapos BTC USDT perpetual, dapat perpetual futures?
Yeah.
Answer is yes.
Sabi ni Alan Ops, grabe 46 million USD ang na-liquidate after ng CPI.
Grabe.
Mga ano yun, expecting for a breakout ng 618 kanina. Or very, very aggressive positions, no? Yung capital is capital is going to be your friend, no? So always make sure you have your right position sizes.
And nag-super chat, Vincent Katakutan. Shout out kay Brian Doe Mendoza. Pagmahal ng Pampanga. Congrats sa lahat ng profitable Miranda.
Pagmahal ng Pampanga.
Ba't may mga ganong
Maraming
pangalan?
kilalang mapagmahal dyan.
Okay. Sabi ni CPA, Christian Paul, CPI result 8.3%. This FA is a big aha moment for my trading life. Thank you, Mining Miranda. Salamat. Data is God, crypto, BTC. Thank you. Okay.
Sabi ni Mark, Coach, is there a way to set your histogram in Bing X to show colors? Kagaya ng trading view, vertical lines lang kasi yung histogram. Mark, mas maganda mag-chart ka sa trading para real time ka and you can utilize the colors.
Correct.
Okay, what else? People are shorting, no? Very good if you're shorting.
Yes, Coach.
Bounce na on. Basta mark your 618s. Mukhang ano eh, let's wait for another 9:30. Pag bumasag ka ng 618, abang ka dun sa next. Ano magiging target profit mo dyan, Kuya Justin?
Pag bumutas ng 618,
Mm-hmm.
if I'm going to scalp it, I'll use this one lang. 1537, itong previous support natin.
Hindi, pero 6, okay. So 1562, 1537. Then the next swing low is 1503786. Can I see the oscillators? Gagawa ng right hand yan dyan, sabi ko niya. Okay.
Tama, mas mabubuo niya.
Okay. All right. So 21, so 1500 almost 1502. Your strong support should be 1563. Pag bumasag, meron kang 1537, then 786 is at 15. Okay. Sana nakatulong sa inyo yan, Miranda. We're looking at the big coins because everyone else will follow.
Correct.
No, with the exception of the non-correlated coins. All right.
Tinatanong ni Sir Axel Flavia, may expiration po ba sa futures? Perpetual yan, pero may funding rate yan. Ingat lang.
Yeah.
So, bawat nakapokus yung position nyo dyan, no? Every
Matakbo yung funding rate.
Meron yung funding rate na babawas sa inyo.
Okay. What else? Tuloy-tuloy na natin. 4 more minutes. Pre-market opening na tayo for stock market. Mukhang isa pa to. Huwag naman sana. Pero ganun talaga, no? Ganun talaga.
Market reaction.
Correct. Sell on news.
Sabi ni Be Inspired, kakanood ko lang trailing stop loss video mo, Coach. Na-apply ko na ngayon. Ako, napakagandang strategy niya.
Very good. Share mo sa amin natutunan mo dyan. Very good ka.
Nerd Gamer Channel. Coach, anong best time po para mag-charting? Well, wala namang time para mag-charting. Pero abangan mo yung mga times na or hours na may market volatility.
Market openings.
The market openings.
Yeah. 3 minutes.
Alright. Tingnan natin.
Ito, sagutin ko, Rugel Pambuena, if right hand, may nakita daw siya right hand. Bullish na po ba? Nako, wag muna, no? Always wait for your confirmations.
Your activation.
And activation of it.
Alright, can we look at Bitcoin chart? Justin, market opening in 2 minutes.
We'll go down to 1 minute, Coach. Natin. Exciting.
Also, Ultra PH, saan po pwede mag-enroll ng mentoring? Ako, moderators, no? Yan, drop
Lagyan ko na yung link ko dyan.
Kay Ultra PH.
All right, one more minute. Gagalaw kaya ito? Mukhang isa pa to. Isa pang baba. Pag bumasag ang Ethereum ng 1604, baba pa yan. Previous swing low. Tapos yung Bitcoin, can you check the previous, yung most recent swing low na yan? Anong price niyan?
21,273.
Pag bumasag yan, isa pang baba yan, guys. Gagawa ng right hand yan eh. One more minute. Nako. Uy, i-announce ko lang, no? Meron tayong trading bonus sa BingX. If you deposit $1,000, BingX will give you $200 bonus.
Wow.
First deposit. So first deposit, if you deposit, you have a new account, you have $1,000 deposit. Marami sa inyo, ganyan din naman, no? Deposit kayo. Let me know if you have deposited, pero make sure you sign up using my link, no? Para we can give you $200 on top of your 1,000. More posters will come out.
Ang pakalaking selling candle ko.
Sabi ko ni.
So,
That's for Nasdaq. No,
yes,
Nasdaq.
yes. Hindi ko nag-Nasdaq. No?
Alright, let's see. Bitcoin, we'll see. 21.
This is Nasdaq. Bitcoin.
Sumasalo?
Sumasalo yung 21,321.
Okay.
Bakit eh?
Okay, abang tayo ng 21,000. Yung pinaka most recent swing low mo, ano yung 21,200?
21,278.
Sakto mo pare, sakto mo. Yan. Okay, abang tayo ng basag dyan to short. May right hand ka na eh, no? And then Ethereum. Ethereum 1604?
Yeah, still bounce on 1604.
Ayan, so abang tayo dyan. Pag bumasag yan, then you guys can short. Pero pag buhay pa yan, huwag nyo munang i-short yan. We're looking for Mickey Mouse formats. Alright.
Grabe yung kay Nasdaq.
Renz Dison, salamat po sa 600 USD. Nako, congrats. Congrats.
So from ganyan, scalp breakout yung mga ganyang forma.
Yes, coach.
Correct.
Right hand scalp breakout using your Halmachis. You don't short this based on this. You short the market based on the breakdown on the most recent swing low. Yun ang rule nyo dyan, no? Yung most recent support nyo. Kaya hanap natin yan kanina pa. Okay, napakapula ng market. Mukhang naunan na tayo. Pero which is also a good news, no? Kasi kung hindi sasabayan, di maganda. Pero 1 minute yan, guys. Huwag tayo masyadong magka-prente-prente, no? The market can ride anywhere. It can still fall because correlated move yan. So, ang aabangan ninyo, 2-1. Ano ulit yung most recent swing low? 21,276 and 1604 kay Ethereum.
That's correct, yeah.
Do not do position sa Ethereum on a short. Merong FA yan, ha? So baka ma-invalidate, ma-short squeeze kayo dyan. Okay? Alright. Pangit ng puro red, no? Alright. Tingnan natin. Let's see. Oliver, ano yung mga sinasabi sa comments ngayon?
Salamat, sabi ni Bernard Campos. Salamat coach sa 200% profit. Ayan.
Galing.
Well done.
Sabi naman ni Ernesto, yung trading bonus, naka-deposit daw siya. Tinatanong niya how to play. Nako, maganda yan. Ano mo yan? Sa account mo yan, sa Binance. Sabi ni What Yacht Exit, walang epekto kay RBN ang 930, may right hand.
Sagutin nyo nga yung question ni JFig, kanina pa to eh. Ano ba yung strategy entering 382.5 and 618 at paano pasukin? Mahaba-habang discussion, bigyan nyo ng konting tip.
Yung mga breakout sa golden ratios ng Fib. Well, we do have a system where we know if it's a confirmed breakout on that specific line already. So we simply do, if masyadong tight or masyadong malapit sila pareho, then we do scalping on the way up, then take profit on the next Fib level. Then kapag bumutas din ulit, then wait for the other confirmation or just do trailing stop loss, and then ayun. Basta we do have a system of confirmation to really confirm if the market will, go retest the next golden ratio.
Pag galing sa ilalim, pag umaakyat, abang ng 382. Gawa ng Fib swing high to swing low. Gawa ng 382 potential correction area. Pag galing sa tuktok, nagre-retrace, abang gawa ng 382 potential bounce area. Yun lang lagi. Mga pangsalag nyo yung 382s. Pag bumagsak doon, sasalag ka ng 618. Lalo na kung may nag-aantay na support sa kaliwa. Pero kung 0.5 yung nasa kaliwa, then use that as your support area.
Yeah. Very. Okay. Sabi ni LC Slim, SL hit daw siya kanina, pero TP hit niya yung kay BTC.
SL hit, wow. Pero TP hit down din daw ulit?
Yes, coach. No? Nakabawi siya. Ito maganda tanong. No? Ito ang tanong ng mga beginners. Coach, good to buy na ba ngayon? Example yung BTC for long-term investment. Yan. Kapagandang tanong yun.
Good to buy. Gusto kong sagutin. Lalo na kung meron kang FA ngayon, ang lagi kong sagot is always buy a coin with a good potential kasi it's a store value, 'di ba? Yun ang lagi kong default na sagot. But given a chance that you're going to be asked kailan yung tama, kasi pwede bang bumili? Pwede bang bili ng Bitcoin? Answer is yes every time. But if the question is when, ngayon habang nag-uusap tayo, the price is declining, abangan mo na lang yung bounce. No, para hindi ka abang na lalo si Bitcoin. Abang guys, 1604 Ethereum going down, no? Abang. Retrace.
Lalim po ng Tagalog nyo. Ano po yung sasalag?
Ako ba 'yon? Sasalag meaning
haharang.
Haharang, oo.
Harang. Defense.
Naku, mukhang mag-Mickey Mouse na, oh.
Ethereum, no, coach?
Ethereum. Isa pa yan. Isa pa yan. Abang. 1 minute ka ba?
Yeah,
okay. Grabe, binibigyan na tayo ng bigay tayo ng execution. Alright. Okay. Sino pa ba? May question pa ba?
Habang bumababa yung mga coins, no? Nakita ko si Lonzy, umakyat, no?
Si Lonzy.
Umakyat siya, no?
Good ang question. Hakuna Matata. Valid ang CCC, no? Don't use, on this market, you scalp sobrang bilis, diba? Don't wait for, may huhuli ka. No? Especially on these types of market na meron kang FAs. You chart your coin. Look for a potential entry. Of course, you're scalping, naka-minute time frame tayo, di ba? So, you don't wait for CCC on a scalp. Yan, bumaba na. 1603 na. Short na kayo.
May punda yan eh.
Uy, ano
Nagsabi na ako guys.
May punda yan.
Hands up.
Right hand. Isa pa yan. Ano yung next mo?
Wait. This is for Ethereum. Meron tayong 1,592.
Can you open Helmachi, please? I want to see CCI. Let's see. I want to see a positive 100 pababa. 1 minute right hand ka na, no?
1 minute right hand.
Okay, antay kayo ng positive 100 CCI pababa. Galing sa tuktok. Then we short this market. Can you go to 3 minutes? Okay, next one. Mga oversold territories, no?
Bitcoin naman. Yan lang, may support talaga siya dito around 1,200.
Yung respeto niya. Okay. See, can you go back to Ethereum? We'll see. Gagawa ng hammer to. We'll see. Nasa ilalim na siya, no? Okay. Okay, can we go to 5 minutes? Nasa ilalim si CCI. Alright, guys, ito gawin natin, no? Wait for that CCI to go dun sa tuktok. Nung aakyat yan ng konti, doon sa tuktok, gagawa ng another CCI 100 pababayan. Doon yung siya kunin ng shorting. Yan, do not buy long this market, guys. Ha? Do not buy long this market. Magantay kayo. Yung trade ba kayong dalawa?
Di coach, hindi ako yung Nasdaq. Medyo nagkakaroon ng recovery sa Nasdaq.
Ano yung yellow line na yan, Justin?
This is the 0.5 ata. Or this is the 618.
618 pa pala yan, eh, no?
Yeah. Dito. And then 0.5, sorry. 0.5 from 1,423 to 1,788.
Siguro, if we finish early, ang masasabi ko lang sa inyo, do not buy long this market. Let this market recover. Look for signs of recovery. Unang-una, grabbing selling pressure. Weakening of your selling pressure. Mag-antay kayo ng, maganda na yung CCI, nagre-recover na. And then your histogram, look for your MACD, no? Alright. Ano na si Bitcoin? 21. Sumasalo na.
Coach meron ng consolidation na gaganap eh.
Hindi ako naniniwala siya.
Pero mukhang ano pa to eh.
Ako din.
Dapat
eh. Naniniwala dyan. Ganapan ng lakas yan.
Alright.
Okay. Epekto na nung wala pang tulog. Okay lang na walang tulog, basta magigising pa din, eh, no?
Kesa walang gising.
Alright. So guys, ang aking tip, no, pag mga ganyan, abang kayo on scalp the market, scalp short yung bias natin. Do not buy long this market yet. Medyo negative yung bias ng market. Abang sa mga major supports. 21, ano si Bitcoin? 21, yung 382 na nilagay mo? 21?
21,160.
Abang. Si Ethereum, ano yung support niya?
For Ethereum, we're currently testing the 0.5. Pero yung pinaka 618 natin is at 1,563.
It's everyone's ball game. Doon lang nag-range, no?
Yes.
Okay. CCI, kumuha kayo ng CCI positive 100 galing sa tuktok before kayo para mas sure tayo doon on that shorting. Kasi naka CCI galing ka sa ilalim, no? But it's 5 minutes, no? The bigger candle is still very red. So again, there's always a possibility of it going down to your 618 area. So wag tayong magpaka-bullish muna, guys. Let's wait. If you are a scalper, wait for that CCI to confirm. And look for your fib support areas. In my case, hindi pa ako magiging komportable to buy long this market. I don't know, mentors, do you guys agree? I'm not always right, ha? Do you guys, what do you guys
Agree,
think?
coach, agree. Kasi bigger market still on, especially we do have FA, bigger time frame market still on, grabe yung mga kandila, nakita nyo naman, di ba? So, you might see a bit of bounces, especially if you 1 minute more
Mga
on
relief
scalping
rally.
perspective lang. Scalping perspective. But end of the day, if you're seeing yung elder time frame mo still on a downward trend, it will still give you more reliable signal.
Yep. Say for me, no? Kasi yung gantong galaw ng market, may aftermath pa yan. Hindi pa yan. Tandaan nyo, kakabukas pa lang ng market. No? We still have hours. And tomorrow, may reaction pa yung Asian market.
Good point, yes.
So, stay defensive.
Defensive. Yeah. Good point. It's a very good point, Kuya Oliver. Tama. Asian market will follow kasi nga it's the bigger the US market will float the tide of everyone. Tama. Meron pa ba tayong tanong sa online? Do we still have questions?
Let's see. Mukhang wala naman ako, all good, no? Thank you, coach, sa guide, sabi ni Ruan Crypto. Crypto Angelo, sabi niya, dead cat bounce. No, can happen yan. Pwede daw ba kayo maging mentor, sabi ni Ruan.
Yung mga term na dead cat bounce, it was like 1980s, ha? Well, you use dead cat bounce on a dead stock or a basura stock. Or yung mga wala ng buhay pero umaakyat pa, may sign of life. Kasi di ba, history ng dead cat, patay na yung cat. Sorry for that, but that's reality. Based on that illustration, pag patay na matigas na, di ba? Tapos pag tumama sa lupa, tatalbog. So, ba ulit. Yun ang dead cat bounce.
So, Asian market is our time po. Yes. 9:30 a.m.
Are all of the coins right now red ba?
Yes, coach. Meron lang like Lunsi
and Raven.
Lunsi pataa o
RVN,
nagkaroon ng
umiiba si RVN, no?
And then Raven. Higher time frame. Pero nagkaroon din siya ng downward trend but on lower time frame nag-bounce lang siya.
Yes.
But almost everyone.
Pag yung ako, tama ka, Oliver, no? Baka huwag naman sana. Asian market is just waiting to happen. And then pa-close na si Europe, no? Pa-close na si European market. So, we'll see kung magpa-follow yan. What other things can they do? Siguro mag-wrap up na tayo, no? Kasi same yung market, no? What other things can they consider waiting for?
Siguro reiterate ko lang yung sinabi kanina. Wait for, don't expect massive bounces right away, no? Ang trabaho natin ngayon in this type of market is to find your immediate support. Find your key level supports, no? And then if you are in scalp mo lang yung bounce but don't expect yung major na breakout agad or yung malalaking bounce right away, no? Especially that we do have FA, no, that affecting the market, no? So yun lang po sa akin.
Yeah. Ako naman, basahin ko lang tong super chat ni Bronx, no? Thank you sa super chat. Salamat Mentor Justin and Oliver and Coach. Isang solid live na naman. Please hit like, guys. Ayan. Sa akin naman, ang paalala ko is stay defensive and look at the market, yung sa kanyang charts, no, data, at look at it on the bigger market. So, because the smaller time frame can fool you, and look at also the fundamentals, no, this September naman. Yun lang po.
For me, do not trade the candle, trade the trend. Candles can confuse you this time. Candles can become very, very erratic, volatile, for lack of better terms. This is the time when you, on a 1 hour time frame, this is the power of confirmation candle comes in. Do not trade the bounce until you see a confirmation candle. You do not trade the bounce until you see our system. May nagtanong, no, open pa ba ang Elite University? Open pa. Please message us or any of the moderators. May combo package pa rin for a discount as big as 3,000 pesos. What to do in these types of situations? May nagtanong, very, very good question. Pag ganito yung situation, ikulong yung price, maganap ng support and resistance tulad kanina. Nakita natin merong left hand, may 618. We were hoping tataas based on the CPI. It did not. So the market corrected. It is what it is, right? We wait. 90% waiting, 10% TA. None of us is correct. We are just a mere part of the market. The market will always become correct. All right, yan, tulad niyan, no? So, the market can invalidate anyone, di ba? The market can, what's this? The market can invalidate a trade, no? So, always follow the trend where the trend is going. I would not buy any bounce at this point. You could see relief rally. It's up to you. It's your risk appetite. I will wait for this market to confirm. No, when everyone else is panicking, you wait. Huwag mong i-risk. Pag masunog sila, di good luck. Di pag ikaw, di safe ka. The market will not go away. Right? That's what you do, no? And then of course you always trade the money that you're willing to lose and then the money that you're willing to sleep well at night. And then of course position size, risk management, stop losses, always that. Do not add margins. As I've said kanina nag-start tayo, do not add margins. You need to create your stop losses, create your trading rule, and that would help you. Okay, mag-alala, may another CPI pa. There's another CPI waiting to happen. Okay, there's another CPI waiting to happen, and look for your fib lines, look for your CCI. If you're a scalper, if the price, tulad kanina pina-open ko si CCI, if CCI is below your oversold territory, do not wait for it, no? Wait for it to confirm if you're a scalper. Marami tayong mga systems that are ready to be activated, ready for you to use in your trading. What else? The market can humble anyone. The market can humble all of us. Again, what's important is we know that and we follow where this market is leading us. Yun lagi ang gagawin ninyo. Trade the trend. The trend is your friend. Another question kanina, what else? Okay, thank you sa mga kind words, no. Siguro at this time of the day, kung ako magiging trader in front, kunyari bago akong trader at this time of the day, dadandahanin ko yung processing of knowledge. There's too much information on this one live. Ang dami namin binigay na it can overwhelm a beginner. If you are a beginner, dahan-dahanin mo. Para kang kumain ng pagkain na binibigay lang sa mga experienced traders. Baka ang tawag doon, mentors, mga impacho, di ba? It can, pwede kang ma-constipate. So careful. Dahan-dahanin mo, huwag kang magmadali. Learn. Simulan mo on understanding the market and then your basic support and resistance. And then your Fibonacci's, and then eventually, marami naman tayong free videos kung di ka pa ready mag-aral, di ka pa ready, wala kang time, wala kang pera. That's okay, mga free videos tayo. And eventually, find your time to enroll and learn and invest on yourself. Yun ang akin, no? 9:53 ng gabi, medyo the market is panicking, but let us not panic. Okay? Not panic. Let's wait for the right bounce. Mag-abang ng big position. Medyo malungkot ako syempre, no? Kasi syempre we're expecting for a breakout, mas malaki yung profits natin. But ganun talaga. At the end of the day, another thing, by the way, another thing. Guys, kung may FA kayo, do not wait for this day. Do not wait for this day. Medyo unusual sasabihin ko, no? You need to know the right position days before the FA happens. Yun.
Beginner mistake ko rin yan.
Kasi yung F8 will only push your price eh, diba? So, dapat, you're kampante ka na lang today. Dapat, you already have your positions, diba? Because this can, again, push your price to go higher or push your price to go lower. At the end of the day, you are, sorry, you were saying something, Oliver? Ginawa mo na ba ito before?
Yes, coach. Tanda ko yan. Nung, this day also, no, anniversary na yan. No, yung, they call this, smart contract release sa Cardano. No? So, the night, it was September 13 last year. The night before, doon ako nag-position. No? Doon ko na-experience yung sell on news.
Sell on news, yes. You do position before para at least makuha mo yung mga 200%. Which reminds me, see you sa Friday. I'm gonna be there myself. On Saturday, I'm gonna be there myself to teach. No, beginner class, see you po. No, I'm going to teach you yung ating pinakitang charts. Yung mga malalaking profits natin. Merong strategy doon, guys. I wanna teach you that para mas makuha niyo yung mga malalaking galaw.
Excited na ako dyan.
Wala namang bago dun. It's the same system. Meron lang tayong ginawang konting preparation. Tsaka paano nyo makukuha yung mga ganong klaseng galaw at ganong klaseng coin. It takes preparation guys. Hindi hinuhulaan yun. No? Pag hinuhulaan yun, magpo-FOMO lang kayo. Hindi nyo makukuha yung ilalim niya. Okay, it's 9:55. Meron pa ba? We can wrap it up?
Yes, I think so.
Okay na, coach. Wala. Excited na daw sila.
Tama yung mga estudyante ba dito? Okay. Alright guys, again, reminder, my own opinion to. I'm not your advisor. I'm not going to long this market yet. I'm going to wait. No? And, ay, teka lang, one more thing. Can we, sorry, Justin, if you don't mind lang, no? I keep on saying I'm going to wait. Did we say where is the price to break out? Or we're just waiting for a bounce? Bounce on 618 kanina, di ba?
Coach.
Okay. So yun guys, so bounce, antay tayo ng bounce. Use our system, 1 hour confirmation candle with MACD to confirm. Use that on your 618s. Even use 4 hours if you would like to be really sure. You use that, no? Para makukuha mo yung mga major swings sa ilalim or sa ibabaw. But again, I keep on saying this, do not long this market yet. Wait. Wait for it to bounce, wait for it to show recovery, and you will have an even better trading life journey. Mentors, thank you so much for joining me. I really need you here kasi 2 hours tayo magla-live ngayon. And then to invite nyo naman sila sa GMMG Mornings. Tomorrow meron tayo.
Okay. Tomorrow at Discord, Winning Wednesdays with mentees. So, as a mentee, you get to share your trades with the other mentees and share your learnings. Ayan. And we will guide you then. So, dyan lang po yan sa Discord channel. So, see you tomorrow. And on Friday, also, TGOF, Trader Guide on Friday. So, we're gonna talk about our topic for the week, which is comfort zone. So, see you guys.
Alright. Yung mga gustong humabol ng Friday, habol kayo, okay lang. Pero aralin nyo agad, you have 3 days to do the module. Bigyan nyo ng 2 hours per day. Tapos nyo yan, yung modules, online.
Kaya.
Alright, mentors. It's September 13. Let's hope for the best. I'm still hoping for the best. I'm still hoping for Ethereum breakout to happen. I am a heavy investor. Alam niyo yan, guys. No, it's an open book for me. I'm a heavy investor on Ethereum. I have a lot of Ethereums. Every price count for me. No, at that is me. No, I want to buy. I'm an investor. I'm not just a trader. I look at trading 3 years, 4 years, 5 years from now. Hindi man ako kasing bullish ni Vitalik, if you know what I mean. Pero bullish ako sa coin.
Yeah.
I'm bullish on the coin. So, again, guys, take it for what it's worth, no? But always remember that we're not your financial advisors. We're just here to guide this community. We believe it's important we do this, knowing that we wanted to share with you yung mga knowledge namin para kayo din, hindi lang kami, yung medyo mataas ang win rate and PNL. With that said, thank you, and Sulitin ko ulit, guys, do not long this market. Wait. No, baka iba sa inyo urat na. Oh my God. Buy long na ba ako? Wait.
Mapapaginipan na, mapapaginipan na.
Wait lang.
Binubulungan na eh.
Okay, salamat sa 1,000 viewers. And that's it, mentors. We're good to go.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you guys. Mentors, stay lang kayo dyan. Wait lang. Thank
Alright.
you guys. Salamat. Wala na naman tanong, no? We're good.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon.